Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It's loyal from Saint to Sequoia, and I know. Good morning, my boy. My boy Jonathan in the chat, man. Good morning, Jay. W likes, man. I believe in my season to come. Let's have a good day today, chat. My boy Rad, how you doing this morning, Rad? It's all good, brother. It happens. Good morning, Vic. In the light of your blindness. Big loss, though? Oh, it's all good, brother. Shake back today. Ready to take A-plus setups today? That's what I'm saying. Beautiful. Though the winter is lonely and richer. Though the winter belongs even greater. Yesterday's FOMC was bullish or bearish? It was bearish and then bullish. Good morning, Boston. Top of the morning, Master. I'm next in the winter. Is that your situations? God, I'm not done waiting. Even in the waiting. Is that I take your time? What's going on, Zip? What's good? No joke. I'm so irritated. I bought a 300K with TradeOvate, but I don't know how to use stop loss or take profit. Are you on TradingView? Good morning, C. Flip, it's cold. I know, bro. It's so cold. Blew my funnel yesterday. Accidentally placed a long when I went to go short. Oh, I've done that a lot. I've done that before. I've done that one before. From Perry to Koya. Hold up. I want this back on my charts, bro. There we go. Do you know how to work it? No, I bought Apex. I meant 300K, but my boy said I have to use Tradeovate. Yeah, either way, you should be able to still use it on TradingView. I'm pretty sure, right? God, I'm pursuing you. I don't know why. Good morning, North. North side, baby. North side, baby. What's good, guys? How we doing this morning? How we doing, everyone? How did y'all sleep last night? I had slept good. I ain't gonna lie. I slept real good last night. I got me a cup of coffee here. You know, we ready? We ready. Let me see real quick. Do we got any news today? 8:30 was unemployment claims. It came out fairly even. We do have 4:30 Trump speaking. That's pretty much market close. We'll be out of the market by then. Other than that, nothing really, chat. Everything should just play out technical. God, I'm pursuing you. Oh, beautiful. I finally know I'm alive. I don't know. He said link it to Tradeovate, so now that's what I'm on because I want to try to pay for TradingView. I wasn't trying to pay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know how to work. I know how to work Tradeovate on TradingView. I literally have an account right now, my Alpha Futures. So are you bullish or bearish? I'm waiting for market open, but at this point right now, I'm leaning bearish. I'll tell you why right now. We have an open. Let me just turn the music off real quick just to do a quick update on what I feel like price is going to do. Bro, volume form, your class was fire. I learned a lot. Yes, sir, Riptide. Just wait for this week. Just wait for this week. I got a couple things that I'm gonna drop on y'all for real. Good morning, Jay. How you doing, my boy? So previous day low still open and intact. This is basically from yesterday's FOMC meeting. I told you guys we were going to either come in and try to test in and around this area, and that we only had one area that we needed to come and test, which was this 15-minute fair value gap that we left from the news event on Tuesday. So we delivered to that perfectly, and then price literally opened up for the start of the day, dropped all the way back down. So for me, bulls are no longer intact. I think that Wednesday was the weekly reversal profile, and I do think that we can target previous day low and those targets that we were targeting yesterday. Asia low and low of the day are literally inefficient on every time frame. So I know for a fact we can definitely potentially get a test to Asia low. That will be my first target where I will close at least 70% of my trade. But I do want to see a retracement for market open from these cells that we just created because I want them to entice the buyers. Okay? Entice the buyers and then use them as injection to take us to our target down here. All right? So that is my take on right now. All right? That is my take on right now. But obviously everything is subjective. I'm not gonna, marry the bias. If price flips the other way, then we will look for buys. But as of right now, we do still have the high of the day and this equal high structure on a 4-hour time frame. We do have a swing being formed, and we have the 4-hour low right here. So to me, this could be an anchor that price will continue to reject. As look right here, we had a bullish candle, price traded immediately below it. But like I said, I want to see them entice buyers going into market open so that we can use them as liquidity. All right. We do have a minor buy side liquidity right here. And if we do take that, I want to see an immediate rejection, and then we'll come back into this inverse that we created. Okay? But if you take the 50% of what this area is, even if we take this on a 5-minute time frame, that would be considered an IOFED, an institutional order flow entry drill. Okay? So that would be the BPR. We already have tested the BPR, but we did not test the BPR of our original leg and price. So I told you this 4-hour could definitely be an anchor to continue to drive price lower, and we have a fractal swing high on the 15-minute off of this high. So we used the 5-minute order block and literally created the nice structure. We had the volume come in, and we delivered to a new low. Okay? Hey, Flip, you heard that Top Step is opening their own brokerage coming soon? Oh, that's fire. I bet, bro. They got a lot of bread. They got a lot of traders, and they got a lot of bread. How did you connect TradeOvate to TradingView when I try to? It won't give me the option. You got to go on trading. You have to go on TradeOvate, and you got to verify your account. You got to go to tradeovate.com, and then you got to use your login information that your prop firm gives you. Are we looking long? No. Let's pray, brother. All right, I'll pray for us this morning. Dear Heavenly Father, I ask for a wonderful day today. I ask that you thank you for waking up everyone today with a fresh breath of air, a fresh start, and a fresh outlook on what you have destined for our lives. We are operating off of your timeline and not this worldly timeline that we are consumed in. God, continue to have us step out of our comfort zone and continue to seek your face, continue to seek your light, and continue to seek your glory. In Jesus' name we pray. I pray that everyone would be abundant and you would let your blessings overflow upon us. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Through the wins and the losses, we will serve you. Amen. Let's get it, chat. W amens in the chat, man. Let's go. Let's see. ES is still hovering around there. ES has equal lows at... Oh, my gosh. Look at this. So I low-key think we might get a push higher. Just because I see... We don't have to, but look at how engineered this price is on ES. Holy moly. Talk about engineered price. Look at all of those wicks, and none of them got taken. So they might want to go raid the high. They might want to raid the high. W spoken with faith? For sure. Why do you say Jesus? Because we enter the Father through Jesus' presence. We are saved by his Son. So we enter the presence. Why do you think he sits on the right hand of the Father? We enter the Father's presence through Jesus, his Son. It's a 3-in-1. Exactly. Exactly. Flip, I'm short. Am I cooked? Market open. I want to see them entice buyers. What indicator do you use for session highs and lows? I use ICT kill zones. But I tweak my kill zones. Oh yeah, we're definitely doing a Bible study. I'm in the works of getting a person to speak inside the Bible study as well. Short from 203, solid trade, but you could be a little premature, but it's still a fire trade as of right now. I mean, if you wanted to take partials or take your profit and kind of wait for market open, it's up to you. If you want to hold, that's up to you too. OMG, that's great. I love to hear that. Yes, yes. His true name is Yeshua, though isn't the space for any sort of division. No, I know, I know. Yeshua is Jesus in Hebrew, bro. You're saying the same thing. Yahweh, Yeshua. There's multiple names. I understand that. There's no division. But I'm not acting like I know everything. I'm definitely like still seeking. I'm always a student to and a son in Christ, bro. At the end of the day, I love the insight. You know what I'm saying? I'm not acting like I know everything because I definitely don't know a lot. But I know a little bit. I'm always seeking though. Take out Asia Low. So MK2, you should be able to see on the back end of your Tradeovate if your trading view is enabled. He said you know a lot about trading though. You have discernment? Definitely. Definitely. Yes, there's always something to learn about God and Jesus. I'm learning as well. Oh, 100%. It says it's active. That's weird then. That's weird then. It took me like 20 minutes for my account to activate. So if you just got it, give it some time. If not, then I would hit up support. Open the account probably 2 hours ago. Yeah, I would hit support. Just got my funded last night, taking my first trade with you. W's. Not as much enticement as I want. I told you we are kind of anchored off of this 4 hour. So price may just want to dump. But for me, I gotta see some form of displacement. This is some form of displacement in a way because we closed below the low. But I want to see at least this 5 minute high get taken. At least. If not, then we'll just have to find a breakout entry, which is fine too. Yes, sir. Fear of Yeshua is the beginning of all knowledge. Seeking him is the best decision ever. 100%. You waiting for London High? No, not London High. But I do want to see some form of buy side delivered. Zylo, appreciate the follow. I would love to see some form of buy side delivered first. Yeah, no joke. I got you. Last 3 minutes, chat. Together. God bless you, bro. What's one of your favorite verses? Oh, bro, I have it in my notes. It's Matthew. I just wrote it down for my nephew inside of his Bible. I just wrote it down in my Bible. So we did like a little baby Bible, and everyone was like highlighting their favorite verse, and I just gave him my favorite verse, bro. Let me tell you. The fact that I can't have it memorized just goes to show you guys that I'm working on it though. You know what I'm saying? I should be able to spit it right out to you. Okay. And I'm pretty sure it was red letters. Yeah, it was Jesus speaking. So there's something about when Jesus speaks that like it like really grips and grabs my attention. And it was Matthew 33 through 36, Matthew chapter 6, 33 through 34. So above all, here I'm gonna show you guys. So above all, constantly seek God's kingdom and his righteousness. Then all these less important things will be given to you abundantly. Refuse to worry about tomorrow, but deal with each challenge that comes your way, one day at a time. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Fire. So that constantly reminds me that he's already he's already taking care of me. I don't have to worry about anything. Blessings are going to come abundant when you seek him. As long as you have your eyes set on the prize, which is him. He is the focus. And if you have complete faith, which is believing in something that you can't see, then everything will be given to you abundantly. Do not worry about the trials of tomorrow. Focus on the day, day by day. And I love that. I love that. I love that. This is a 5-minute right now. We are 1 minute away. 3 seconds. Yep. We might just straight deliver. Let's see. Okay, here's the enticement. Here we go. Wait for price, chat. Wait for price. Let's put the song back on. What was the verse number? Matthew chapter 6, 33 through 34. All right. I'm going in with half my cons. That was my 5-minute aisle fed that I was looking for. Bang. Oh my gosh, chat. Oh my gosh, bro. That was low-key crazy. Instant profit. And I seen the brighter days. Press to heaven on my lowest days. Your blessings, God, you give and take away. Your grace is enough. No matter where I am, I'm standing in your love. On the mountain, I will live my life to the one who sends me there. To the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountain, I didn't get there on my own. You're God of the hills and valleys. God of the hills and valleys. Dude, that was such a sniper gang entry. Sniper! Let's go. We went in half our cons as well. It should deliver to Asia Low. This is on my Alpha Futures and my Top Step. I went in with 5 on both. I'm safe inside your hands. On the mountains, I will bow my life to the one who sends me there. To the one who sees me there. What's the Asia low? 26,085. When I'm walking through the valley, I know I am not alone. Damn, I want a displacement, a little displacement up. Give me a little bit more of a displacement up so we can get another re-entry. Come on. Am I being greedy? Straight delivery to the cells, chat. Let's go. Over it all. Father, you give and take away. Here we go. Asia low. Low of the day. First target. First target, chat. And then do we target previous day low after that? Bang. All right, I'm going to close. 1. We're up 100. I'm going to put a buy limit here. Oh my gosh, this thing's just falling off a cliff, chat. W freaking trade, bro. All right, I'm going to take 3 off right here. W's in the chat, guys. Go ahead and move your stops to break even. No need to risk. No need to risk, chat. No need to risk. I think everyone missed it. No one see it like flip. Listen, you got to be split second instincts when it comes to a market open like that. I told you that we were operating off the 4 hour. I told you that the 4 hour is going to give this right here. Okay, look. I said 4 hour high. I mean 4 hour order block, okay? Off of that 4 hour order block, I told you we could anchor price based off of that. You go into the 1 minute, you literally see where the 4 hour order block, we literally delivered the 5 minute fair value gap and we sold off. Beautiful. Beautiful, chat. Come on. This is why you be patient. Patience is key. 25,997 is our 70% TP, where I'm closing 70% because I'm about to get back all the loss that I took on this Alpha Futures account. All right. We're about to test FOMC low from yesterday. Within the first oh my god, within the first 7 minutes of market open. Once we hit that, I'm gonna take another con off my top step. I'm up 1,000 already. All right, I'm up 340. I took 1 con off, so now I have 2 cons. I mean 3 cons riding. Okay, I'll show you guys. This is my Top Step account, my Express. I'm riding with this right now. All right. What's a good reentry? We have to wait for the displacement back up. They got to create an order block. If not, price is just going to keep leaking away. I mean, that could have been something nice. You got a small little displacement here. Price literally went into the 50% real quick. But we'll see. Let me make it small for you guys so y'all can see the whole thing. You are the one to set me from my name. Be patient, chat. Be patient. We still got 10 a.m. We still got 10 a.m. 10 a.m. will give a retracement because it is going to open up a new 4-hour candle, okay? It might just want to deliver this low before it gives that 10 a.m. though. Or if it doesn't, then that's still engineered equal lows, chat. The gift that keeps on giving, chat. Come on. All right, on a 30-second time frame, we did create a small order block. And it's right here. I don't think I get 30-second time frames on here, but look. Look at the 30-second on Top Step. If we break below this, you could potentially use this as an anchor for a break and retest like this. Okay? To continue lower. Well, you got to wait for the break. Set me up. Me by name. I'm going to be honest, bro. ICT said it today, bro. You got to be content with base hits. He said base hits makes millionaires. Oh my gosh. This thing is just gone. This thing is just gone, bro. 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Take the low, bro. All right. Fall. Come on, bro. Either give it to me or I'm gonna market execute the partial. Get ready for overflow. I'm getting ready to sing. All right, I'm just gonna market execute. So now we are only down 700 and we're still up 620. All right. We have fully recovered our Alpha Futures account from that trade that we took. And now we let it ride, chat. Now we let it ride. We got 3 riding on Top Step. And we got 2 riding on our Alpha Futures, okay? Fully recovered. God did. Let's go. I can't be scared, bro. I can't be scared, bro. Can't be scared, bro. All right, so next target. We took previous day low. Look at that 4-hour, bro. We could be targeting this 4-hour fair value gap, chat. We could be targeting this 4-hour fair value gap. Hold up. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to see. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy. That 4 hour just ripped. Holy moly, bro. Holy, bro. This is crazy. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my gosh, look at the 15-minute candle. One 15-minute candle. One 15-minute candle is crazy. One 15-minute candle is absolutely bonkers, chat. Look. I'm going to take another partial there. Holy moly. One 15-minute candle is insane. I told you that 4 hour was going to rip for that 4 hour order block. Who's in this trade with me? Put ones in the chat if you're in this trade with me, bro. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Let's go, bro. Holy. Holy. Holy moly. New 15-minute candle for the 4 hour closure, too. Master Shredder. Shred it. Look, chat. Yeah, bro. Look. I'm literally closing on my alpha futures just because my target was to get back above the account. That's it. I don't care about money this, money that. Listen, chat. We were down 1,500 on this account off of a mistake I made on silver. Okay? I'm literally taking it just for the fact of you got to be content with your profits. You got to be content with your profits. That was a one shot, one kill entry. One shot, one kill. Bang. All right? And we hold our top step. And we'll scale out of it. All I wanted to do was get back on that account. And we got back. Set your rules. Okay? Set your rules. Understand. Bang. There's another partial. Now we're up 800 on the day. With floating another 900. Look. I'm going to scale another one here too. Because this was the low of yesterday. I mean, Tuesday. What a beautiful trade, bro. Holy moly. What a beautiful trade. Straight to TP, bro. No ifs, ands, or buts. I'm literally going to take a partial again. We're up 1,200 on the account. I'm just going to hold one con. And if we want to scale in, bro. If we want to scale in, we'll scale in. If we want to scale in, we can continue to scale at 10 o'clock. But I'm not going to sit here and let this retrace because I know it's going to give a retracement for that 4 a.m. open. I mean, that 4 hour new 4 hour candle. Sorry. Ready for overflow. Listen, chat. Respectfully, that was only 5 micros. That was with half my risk. I just put up that bread. Nah, literally, like, that was half my actual position, bro. And also, Chad, did you see how I scaled out of my position little by little by little as each target got hit? You have to have a game plan. You have to have a game plan. You cannot be greedy with the profits. Look, we're creating that displacement back up. That's what you want to see. New 4 hour open. We'll open high, close low. Beautiful trade. Ooh, I'm entering my flow state, chat. I just want to let y'all know. Yesterday was The 4th week. Yesterday was the 4th week of me entering sobriety, bro. Yesterday was the 4th week of me entering sobriety, bro. And really just surrendering my life to God, bro. Straight up. Straight up, bro. So I know when I tell you guys I'm entering a flow state, bro, I'm entering like synchronization with the markets, synchronization with God's plan, bro. I told you guys we were going to see bigger things. I told you guys we were going to start to see the fruits of our labor, bro. That's what I'm talking about. We will not live a double-sided life, chat. We will be rooted and we will stand firm on the Heavenly Father, bro. And that's just a fact. That's just a fact, bro. I will be prepared for my kids, my wife, and my family to come, bro. That's just a fact, bro. That's just a fact. Hold up. I just want to play this song because I'm just blessed. I'm blessed, highly favored. I'm thankful for each and every one of you guys. Northside with the Galaxy! Let's go! Come on, man! You doing 50%? What do you mean? No. Just wait for wait for 10 o'clock. Wait for 10 o'clock. That prayer was a lot of help. Listen, every prayer helps, not just that one. Before the stream, after the stream, off stream. I'm just grateful for you. Too late to enter? I'm waiting for 10 a.m. Done for the day. Appreciate you, Flip. Santos. Salute, my brother. What time zone do you live in? I'm in Eastern time zone. Guys, make sure you get into the Discord. If you want trades like this, they will only be inside the Discord starting February. Oh, boy. Let's go. Adrian with the boxing gloves. He. Who's? Let's go. What's the Discord? Link is in the bio, brother. If you can't get to the link in the bio, send me a DM. I'll send it to you. Hey, I'm just grateful for you. Yeah. Everything is always, all my streams are always recorded. Hold up. Let me turn it down. All my streams are always recorded and they are posted to the YT. You can go back. Here, I will literally show you. Good morning, Turtle. I'll literally show you guys. That boy Ben's alive. Look, chat. Since the month of December, all of our lives have been recorded and posted. A month ago. Every live. And I post them in here. So, Flip 101. This is a letter O, capital O, and not the letter. I mean, not the number O. It's the letter O, okay? Let's see if we can get to 200 subs. Come on, guys. Help me run up the YT, baby. And if you guys want, you guys get to see the full screen on the YT too. So it's a win-win for y'all as well. And then when we go into the Discord, I will still be recording them and posting them to Because God got me chance after chance. Yeah, I heard no joke. That's why low-key TikTok was tweaking this week, but yeah. After chance. And oh, yeah. I'll take a 2K day today. Let you keep me on my... I'm just grateful for you. Price will be going up, chat. Price will be going up. February. Oh, chat. Be careful. We are in a daily. We did kind of obliterate the daily fair value gap, but there is a daily fair value gap right there. I just noticed. So that next 4 hour can dive, and then we can want to see higher prices. We do have an insufficient 4 hour high. We wait for 10 o'clock. Yes. 6 minutes. Great song choice. 100%. I just seen that we have to be extra careful what we comment / say now, because why would they buy? Yeah, I know. I'm already PR trained, bro. I'm already PR trained. Take a look at the 1 hour candle. Solid. We'd love to see that. We love to see that. This is the low that I was targeting yesterday, chat. This is the low that we were targeting yesterday, but price did not want to give it to us. I'm not giving nothing back to the market, bro. I'll take a $1,500 day or a 2K day. Either or. How much money do you risk? It depends on the trade. But usually I have a risk parameter set for the day, not within like a trade. Are we going to reverse now? There is a potential that we could reverse to give a retracement, but it does not have to. Ideally, it does not have to. We do have a 1 hour swing low here. So honestly, everything from this price up is considered a fair value gap, because price basically did not offer any form of sell side until here. So we just reacted off the 50% of it. And we took a low from news from Tuesday. So my stop profit is at 26,008. Tomorrow will be my last trading day on TikTok for the AM session. I will still come and trade with you guys on TikTok, but maybe like once a week or something I'll come in and I'll say what's up, give you guys some free trades and stuff like that. But yes, tomorrow will be the last day I will be streaming AM session. Yeah, bro. Unless my community says otherwise, but my community is absolutely like, they want the Discord, bro. They want me inside the Discord. End of an era? Nah, it's not gonna be end of an era. Cause I'll still pop live, chat. I will still go live. I will still try to give you guys help and stuff like that. But he said no from Norway. Tell him to share. In need of F1. I know. How much is the Discord? Right now, it is a discounted price of $20 a month, bro. $20. It's literally the cheapest community you could be a part of, bro. For the amount of knowledge and sauce, bro. For the amount of knowledge and sauce that I give. $20, yes. That's literally one of your McDonald's orders, bro. I just put up 1,500 with 5 micros, bro. We got 19-year-olds smacking 5K withdrawals, bro. The value is there. You know what I'm saying? The value is there. Like, guys, if you're in the Discord, post your green day. Let me see what you guys made. Let me see what you guys made. Let me see. W Flip took the trade with you. 680. She was up. Look at this. 1,500 up on the day. Just posted. Look at this, 1,200 yesterday. Another one, 2 for 2. 600 on the day. Look at this. I will say Flip has gave me so much motivation to stick to the trade and don't be scared of the market. I want to thank Flip for being himself and helping me trade. Buddy's up 35 bands, bro. Like, I'm not trying to entice you guys. I'm just trying to tell you guys that the fruit is in here, bro. And Cover has posted withdrawal statements since the beginning of October. I mean, since the beginning of August. So, it's not like this is new for him, but the fact that I was able to help him is insane. Okay? You know, we got 5K withdrawal, 3K withdrawal, 12K withdrawal, 4K withdrawals. We want to see the withdrawal statements here. Look at that. 10K, 12K. Buddy just hit a 5K and he's 19 years old. Since the beginning. He's only been with me for 6 months. He's only been with me for 6 months. $1,500 payout. Like, chat. Flip, he's up 18-14. 8-14, I mean. La Jefa. That's a lady boss right there. Come on now. That's a lady boss right there. 5,300. Come on now. Copy traded right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts up 1,000. W Suarez, my boy Jeff in the building, making that bready. Come on, Jefa. That's what I'm talking about. So I mean, chat, the fruit is in here, man. The fruit is in here. MQ retraces to the level that Flip said it would. Looks like it can dump. Like, chat. That's just a small little glimpse of one day. I live trade it in the Discord, so it's up to you guys. If you guys want, you know, the... Oh my goodness, bro. This thing is just not stopping. We just entered the 4-hour fair value gap, too. This thing just has not stopped. We might see a retracement from here, but... Holy moly, bro. Alright, here, let me read you guys' comments. How's your Discord? Says action cannot be... If you guys cannot get to the Discord through the link in the bio, send me a DM and I will send you guys the link. Send me DMs and I will send you guys the link. I promise I will give you guys all the links. Do you teach in the Discord? Yes. I will pull up the school. So all of my sessions are recorded, and when you join the Discord, you get access to the school. Right now we have 6 classes. 6 classes since the beginning of December. I started doing classes and recording them. So these are what the classes are about. They're about an hour a piece. And I give you guys criteria to how I trade. Holy smokes, bro. Holy smokes. We could go here, bro. I'm literally just going to keep dragging my stop profit once we get to that level. Holy smokes. $770. Yeah, 25,760. This thing is just dumping off a cliff. I'll have a 2K day today, bro. We will reach our buffer today, chat. We will reach our buffer today and literally we'll be ready for a payout next week. That's crazy. Thank you, Anthony, for pinning the Discord. W mod, bro. Been around for 2 months, up 20K on demo because of G. Can't wait to start my live account. That's what I'm talking about, Archangel. I haven't drawn any fair value gap. Flown below this. Yes, this is an express account. I'm literally waiting for it to just spear through this 4 hours so that I can just move my stop profit here. But either way, I'll close with a $1,500-$1,600 day. I'm not worried. Is that it for the day then, I guess? Price has not given anything back yet. Like, it's just falling off of a cliff, bro. I don't know what to say. Like, I thought there would be some form of a retracement. But, guys, didn't I highlight yesterday? Hold up. Didn't I not highlight? I literally pulled the Discord over, and this is part of the free version that I gave you guys. I literally went into the free ICT market profiles, and I literally showed you guys high of the week. I literally showed you guys the high of the week template. Let me move price over. How to anticipate, and I literally called this to the T. I literally gave this to you guys for free, and I called it to the T. I said how the manipulation happens. It hovers below a high time frame premium array Monday, Tuesday, and then rises into that high time frame premium array on Wednesday to form the high of the week. How to anticipate. Know the higher time frame premium arrays, and when the market fails to rise into that array, odds are Wednesday will likely see the drive higher. Wednesday, London or New York session. Monday and Tuesday can be up days as well and form this profile. So we looked for our weekly. Okay. Not let me cop the Discord. Hold up, Adrian. I'll send you the link. Just DM me, Adrian. Just DM me. But look, I literally outlined this to the T, bro. Holy moly, wait. It just delivered. It just delivered to that 800. Drop again for me. You won't. Yeah, it did. It's all right. I'm not even worried. Chat, I literally told you guys Monday, Tuesday, we drove up into what? Daily fair value gap. Okay? Daily fair value gap, Wednesday. 4-hour time frame. London created the high of the day. New York fell off. Then what? Today, we did not take that high, which means price had taken the high of the week, which means price will roll over. And that's exactly why I did that. It's literally exactly why I did that. And I do want to outline, guys, for the people that are getting in at the price that they're getting in, you guys will be stuck at this price, which means whenever I do raise the price, you guys will be grandfathered into the price that you pay, whether it's the 6 months, the 3 month, or the 1 month. I gave discount, okay? So, congratulations, Bilal, for coming in. Debut Bilal, appreciate it. Welcome to the F1 fam, my brother. Five-minute, we do have an imbalance here. It's the only imbalance that I see so far. Everything else is just, that's a breakaway gap. One large breakaway gap on a 15-minute time frame as well. We have an imbalance here. So until this 15-minute closes, we are holding that 5-minute as a 5-minute fair value gap where y'all can look to see a potential. But other than that, I don't see anything so far. Bro, I got scared. I just took a trade on the wrong account, but I got it back. W. Bro, take it. No. Everyone's selling courses. It's not selling courses. I'm selling my time. Because at the end of the day, I always tell everyone, you can go and learn everything that I know on YouTube for free. You can go on YouTube for free. But most people, they don't want to go through his 2,000, 3,000 videos to figure out the same knowledge that I have. Okay? So I always say, go directly to the source himself. Go to YouTube, bro. Go to ICT, Inner Circle Trader. I will always give you guys the knowledge. I will always give you guys everything you need to know. But a lot of people, like I said, they want a shortcut. And I feel as if I am the closest thing to a shortcut for you guys. So if you want to learn exactly how I see what I see, they're all ICT concepts. You're not paying me for a course. You're paying me because I'm spending the time to breathe into you. I'm literally putting my lenses on you guys so that you can see how I see. Okay? So that's what you're paying for. You're not paying for a course. I'm not selling a course. That's why my Discord community comes with the course. Because I'm not selling his concepts. I'm selling my time that I'm giving you guys. Flip, I'll buy you a house here, pay you 15 a month, 15K a month, and all you have to do is trade for me. Say you swear, I'll move in right now. I DM'd you for the Discord link. I got you, Pete. I got you, Pete. Hey, man, what do you get in the premium Discord? So, guys, I know I'm behind on case studies. If you understand, it literally takes me 2 to 3 hours per case study. I'm about 4 case studies behind, but I have everything in line. I just have to put my finishing touches. I don't like to produce like quick content, bro. I like to spend my time and make sure that I'm giving you guys everything. Okay. By the end of this week, I put it on everything that I love. Hand on the right hand on the Bible. I will have those last four case studies in there for you. I had to go back and screenshot all of price. And since it was a week behind, it like made it a little bit harder. It's easier when price is already within its structure for the week, and I can just literally go through and see the trades that we took. But I'm literally having to go back, hit the replay tool, and go through and literally show you guys exactly how I was able to capitalize on each trade to get to where we're at. Obviously, everything is recorded and on the YT, so you can literally see everything. You can literally see everything on the YT. But I like to put it in a PDF form so that you guys can actually see and understand my thought process on how I'm able to obtain each trade and kind of walk through each trade with you. Okay? I'm joining right now. W neck Nickelodeon. That's what it reminded me of. Okay, chat, here we go. All I need is 775, bro. All I need is 775. If we spear through this low, I'm moving my stop profit up. I mean down, and I literally only want 775. If I can get 775, then we will be at 2K for the day, and I'll be content with that. That's a 2K day. We'll be up 4K on the week, bro. Look at that. Look at this. We're up 3,400 on the week right now. Without this last trade up, too. Back to back to back on our Express accounts. Can't fake that, bro. Everything has been live executed right here in front of you. Can you put Discord in Linktree? Yeah, I did. It is. But sometimes people don't understand. You got to click the 3 dots. You got to go through and go to an external browser. But it's fine. I just send people the link and then they'll end up getting it. Lon, appreciate it. Welcome to everyone that's joining. Welcome to the F1 family. F1 stands, we're not, race car drivers. We are, it stands for the Father first, bro. Flip, do you make YT vids? No, I don't make YT vids as of right now because I want an editor. I need an editor and I need like someone to do thumbnails for me, and it's just a little bit more because like I told you guys, I'm very particular about how I produce content. I'm not trying to just throw anything out there for you guys. I want to actually make it really good, really professional, and because I take this very seriously. This is like my full-time job that I'm trying to create. So I'm going to treat it like a full-time job. Let me edit it for you. For real, Caleb? Message me on TikTok. I got you, bro. Good morning, Tiff. Good morning, Tiff. Shout out Tiff in the chat, man. Too late to enter. Yeah, Mark. This hasn't given no form of retracements. How to differentiate between breakaway gaps and fair value gaps. That's what I will show you guys in the class tomorrow. Our class tomorrow is on fair value gaps and breakaway gaps. And then, yo, what's good with my boy CJL Chosen? Oh my gosh, you just reminded me I gotta play that song. I gotta play that song, chat. I gotta play that song, chat. Like, come on now. It's on me. Pray now I'm free. Come on. Devil won't let me breathe. Come on, chat. Everyone spam in the chat. Fire emojis. I just want to see a bunch of fire emojis, please. Smoking on loud. Everyone spam up the fire emojis in the chat. When you're feeling so down, he pick you up when you're feeling so down. I sing a song. I pray now I'm free. Yeah, spam it up, chat. Let me breathe. I pray now I'm free. Fight. Like a thief in the night. Hey, hey, I seen it's on me. You set me free. Oh, bang! Ring, ring. Oh my gosh. 2K day. We just had a 2K day, chat. Like I'm floating on clouds. It's something better than smoking all out. Come on, man. When you feeling so down. I did that with 5 micros, bro. Bare minimum risk. Woo! Yes, it's Express. Now I'm free. Why do I gotta feel like I gotta go pray? You see that? CJL, I know you see that. They asking for the song, bro. Drop that. Look at that. They're all spamming song name. I just put it in the chat. Like I'm floating on clouds. It's something better than smoking on loud. Nah, it's it. I just pinned it. He picked me up when I'm feeling so down. He picked me up when you're feeling so. He love me. Oh yeah, this is on YouTube only right now. I'll put that in there. Come on, chat. Tell me that's not fire, bro. Tell me my boy didn't spaz, bro. Tell me my boy didn't just spaz. Is that your voice? No, it's CJL Chosen in the chat. CJL Chosen's in the chat right now. Here. Literally. On YouTube. Check him out. CJL Chosen. Yeah. Song's fire, exactly, bro. I've been telling him to drop more music, bro. He be sleeping, man. He be sleepy. It's okay, chat. He gonna drop some fire. We waiting on it. Tell him we waiting, we waiting, we waiting. All right. I just want to play the Holy Hips. Because we just had a 2K day, man. We just had a 2K day. 3K day, actually, because I put up another 1,000 on the other account. He in the chat. Yeah, he's right there under you. Smashed. Chat, let him know. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Blush Baddie, how we doing, Blush Baddie? Thank you for the hair hearts. Yeah. Shh. Whoa. My phone, no. Oh. Oh my gosh, if this thing just drops again, I'm weak. Oh, hee hee. No, it's gonna give this. It's gonna come take this out real quick. Hold it, hips. It's fine. I'll take the 2K day. There we go. Bang. Look at this. Look at this. Nice work, Flip. I know, I saw you had a couple of challenging days and stayed blessed up and thankful. And now look, all the praise to the Most High. Thank you, Epic. Thank you, Epic. What's the song? Got you. I got you. I'll put it in the chat. It's one of my bangers, bro. One of my shooters. Chat, y'all want the playlist, bro. Y'all want the playlist for real. Hold up. Just because it's my 1 month, bro. You gotta play this, bro. We gotta play this. W trade, guys. The gift that keeps on giving, but guys, guess what? You gotta be content with your profits at one point or another. 5 micros, 2K day, don't mind it. What? Hold up. No. How much for the VIP? It's $20 right now until February. Get your access to the Discord because this is the truth and the life. I told you guys, be careful here. This life, thinking about this life. Hey, trials and relation, man, you get right. Going up, getting in the fist fights in the dark. Because I really used to hate life. Hey, oh, had to turn to the reversal. Definitely could reverse. Because it hurt feelings. And he stay. That's why I ain't looking back to the ceiling. We could go all the way back to the 50%. A bad whoop. Then I would. I wonder what standard deviation lined up as. Oh my gosh. My eyes got a veil. Had a very heartfelt. Oh my gosh, this thing's so extended. This life thing. Bilal, hit me with a DM. I got you. Yes. I trade AM sessions in the Discord. Deuce. My boy Deuce, I trade AMs in the Discord now. Up 6K, how we doing? Bro. Ha. We doing great. We doing great, man. When did you enter cells today? Well done. You want to see the entries? 1 shot, 1 kill. Banger. Oh my gosh, bro. Literally. Oh my gosh. Look at the 1 minute. Look at that, bro. We literally caught the high, bro, right here. Banger. I literally outlined it to the T. And then we just started taking partials, just getting out of the trade. Yo, Jess, thank you for the heart me. Jay for the 39 goats and Adrian for the 3 gloves. Adrian for the GGs. I didn't see those gifts. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you, guys. You have to see a complete market structure shift. Low key, we are low key getting a start to see of a change in state of delivery because we just inversed this whole fair value gap. But you want to see the break in structure, okay? This would be a market structure shift, but as of right now, we could see a just a break in structure back down to the downside until we get that market structure shift. That would be a change in state of delivery, okay? And then you could look to potentially take it back to this 5-minute high, because that's where you're going to see price go back to equilibrium for the day. That's also where the daily fair value gap is. On your links it shows private trade group and then it says free Discord. Yes. So there's a free portion to my Discord, and then there's the private. I'm only trading in the private. I have a trading room inside the private and I only trade inside the private. What do you think about Snap Trader AI? Never heard of it. So the private one, yes. Have you taken a trade at all today? Yes. We caught 2K off of 5 micros. Yes, sir. Are you live tomorrow? Yes, I am live tomorrow. Tomorrow will be my last day going live at 9 a.m. After that, I will be in my Discord starting 9 a.m. And then we will probably start doing lives at noon for lunch. Because it's stuff like this where I would have already like, even if I was in the Discord right now, let's make today an example, okay? If today is like a day that I'm trading inside of the Discord, right? I will not be streaming on the YT either. I will be posting the recordings to the YouTube still, but I will not be streaming to them. I'm gonna miss the 9 a.m. lives. It's okay. Look. Check me out, chat. It's days like this where our entry was already gone. We had already captured a majority of the run and price is still running. By 10 o'clock, I will come to live and I will share with you guys what we caught for the day. Yes, it's a one-time initial fee of $15. After that, it's $20 a month. And I do that because there's people like yesterday who will come into the Discord, will try to get all of your knowledge, and then they'll just leave. They'll just leave. So that's what the initial fee is for. It's for people who think that they can just come in, pay this little small fee, try to get everything from you, and then just dip out. That's fine. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, that's not fair to me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm over here trying to pour into you, and you're trying to take advantage of me. You know what I'm saying? So the initial fee is a startup fee. After that, it's the regular monthly fee after that. There's no volume at 12. That's the point. Would you take longs? You could take longs, but at the end of the day, me personally, this is still considered an equal low structure. There's no wick to the bottom of this candle. This could just be a potential retracement to keep going lower. Please do once a week on TikTok. Well, I was thinking if the days that I'm not like super busy, I'll probably do like Asia session. I'll probably come do like small little scalps with you guys, or I'll do like a London session with you guys or something. I'll figure out a way to, because I still love my TikTok community. You guys have helped me grow tremendously, and being in front of you guys has helped me tremendously as well. So I still want to be with you guys. Okay, I still want to be with you guys. I won't trade 12 o'clock on the dot, but PM session starts at 110, the 110 to 140. So I will come at 12. We'll chat it up. We'll get the stream ready, and then we could potentially look for PM session trades on TikTok. All right, bro. I'm up 20% today. I love you. I love you, bro. I'm just blessed to be a blessing, chat. My first stream was in August 6-7, not December. But if you've been here since December, you were here for the second 30 for 30. I did a 30 for 30 in August. I did a 30 for 30 in December. Maybe free Friday for everyone. I like that idea. I like that idea. Free Fridays where I come on TikTok in the morning session. I like that. I will talk to the Discord, and I think they will be okay with that. Are you going to be live in your Discord for New York Open every morning, 9 a.m.? Yep. Would you take shorts? I mean, this is just an accumulation. We are literally accumulating right here. So I would want to see displacement higher to maybe come back up to like this before looking for a short again. I feel like if you do anything here, it's just like you're viable to get stopped out just because you would have to place your stops above this high as a short-term target, and that could easily get wicked out because it's accumulating. I just got ticked out for it to tank. Yep, see, that's what I'm saying. Chop fest range, and we're inside of a 1 hour and a 4 hour fair value gap, so it could be accumulating those orders. But like I said, Wednesday high of the week template, we could come all the way back down to the low of the week, which is here. This is the low of the week so far, so price could come all the way back down to here, but I would anticipate that to happen probably by Friday, like by tomorrow. So we could kind of stall a little bit, as if you look at the whole range for the week, we're a little bit below the 50%. So price may want to do something like this and then sit sideways, and then Friday comes and it keeps dumping back down to the low of the week. Or it just could want to do this, sit sideways, and then when Friday comes, do something like that, where like sit sideways, gives a little small choppy range, and then gives one little run before taking the low of the week. Do you know all markets short today? Yo, bro, are you trading puts or shorts? Yeah, I traded shorts today. That's how we caught the... Not too many people is out here doing things like this for real. Just being real, Flip always keeping it literally no negative energy at all. Not too many people out here doing. I love that, DJ. I love that, DJ. DJ, turn me up, man. Appreciate that. That's love, bro. That's love. Your charts look behind now. These are up to date. You caught the move? Yeah, we caught the move. Microsoft and other things lost in total $6 billion. Yep. That's anticipated. That's anticipated. We literally took the monthly high. LOL, the terms retail uses insane when they haven't had a when they haven't had a clue. Yeah. We could go back into new week opening gap. I'm waiting to see if we do. Caught some move though, so no need for a trade. Exactly. We make a small move into premium, displace lower again. We could. Bro caught that off market open. That's what I'm saying. Look at GC. What did GC do today? Bro, that was literally disgusting. Chat, if you guys been here since the beginning of the day, I literally said that IO Fed was going to come straight into the... It was going to give us the enticement for buyers to buy the market, and then we were going to sell off right off of this. And I literally entered right here. Like, it was literally just disgusting. God bless. Oh my gosh. He's so faithful, bro. I swear, bro. It's crazy. I just paid, but it's asking me for a code sent to my email, and I didn't get anything. Let me see. Are you 19 Dennis Dominguez? Yes. So, is your Discord connected with the same information that you put in the WAP? That was the best trade, I think, since August. We literally saw like no drawdown, bro. Instant profit. When'd you short again? I literally shorted off the 26 and 175 level. Zero. Yeah, I know. Zero drawdown. And I literally only went in with half my risk, and I didn't even scale. How did we join your Discord? Dom, DM me, and I'll when are you going to start trading full time? Shoot, I think within the next month I can be full time if things start to align the right way. What was your confluence? I literally outlined this trade since the beginning of the day. Flip, I send you a DM with info because I don't think I initially did when I signed up for the Discord. No problem, no problem. No, it's actually different than the one on Discord. Yeah, make sure that your information on Discord is the same as your information on WAP, because that's how it verifies to make to give you the role for the Discord. I DM'd you. Perfect. I'll get you all your DMs. I promise. I will get to all your DMs today, guys. I want to buy the zone. What do you think? There's been no form of volume for buys yet, So I would say stay away. I'm in calls. You think I'm cooked? Yes. My trades are taking forever to place on TradingView right now. Chat, I literally recovered the Alpha Futures account today too. That's all that matters, bro. We were down 1,500 on that account and we brought it back up. Just joining. How we doing today, Flip? We're doing fantastic. We had a 2K day today off of 5 micros. Can't complain. For long, you need so much more information. Yeah, for a long, I would need a huge market structure shift. I would need all higher time frames to come into effect. Bro, did you ever start golfing? I be hitting in the back net, but like I'm not like you, bro. You're nasty with it now. I be seeing your swings and stuff, bro. That shit's disgusting. Let's go, man. Are you eligible for payout soon? We are about to break above our buffer. It's a 4,500 buffer, so we're $400 away from our buffer, and then everything after that it will be our profits. So this is what we did for the week so far on the Top Step. We are up 4K on the week this week, and yeah, not too bad, not too shabby, not too shabby, brother. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby. Bro, chill. Just lock in so we can go out one day. No, I know. GG's, no, for sure. And I brought my Alpha Futures back today too. So let me check my back office on Alpha Futures. Let me check my back office. He said, "Do you see a change in state of delivery?" No. I got my first payout the other day. W's, congrats, bro. Let's see, count stats. Yep. Results. Yep, we're up 139. We're chilling, chat. We're chilling on our Alpha Futures. Chat, there's no reversal here yet. This thing is just dumping. I told you it could go to the low of the week. We completely closed the 4-hour fair value gap. We are not showing any signs of wanting to switch price up until we take these highs. My orders are not closing or anything. Thank God I got out, bro. Thank the Lord I got out of these trades, bro. Thank the Lord I got out of these trades. Sorry, Brian. I'm sorry that you're going through that, bro. That's what prop firm are you on? Dang, I hope Tradeovate don't start bugging out right after I bought the biggest account. Bro, for some reason they've been having issues this week. But I mean, I have a Tradeovate account too. Oh, Take Profit Trader. That could be just Take Profit Trader though. I lost 4 figs because gold went down. TradingView bugging. It's not TradingView, guys. It's Tradeovate. I have a live account with Tradeovate and it's working fine. Oh, see. My trade did not fill. Would have been a loss. W's. So what's good, chat? Let me see. Did anyone else post in the green days? Yes. Let's see. Let's see. Best day yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Nah, Casey, you did your thing, twin. Add me to the Discord. You gotta go through the WAP, bro. It automatically assigns you the role. Let me see if it even... What is your name? Not Rubber Ducky, Bilal. You're not even in the Discord yet, bro. You gotta go through the WAP to enter the Discord. Check your email and make sure that it's not on primary. Make sure you're seeing all of your emails because it will put you in the Discord and it will automatically assign you a role. See how everyone has, hold up. You see how people have green names and then blue names. Hold up. See blue names? When you get assigned a role, it'll automatically give it to you. Okay, it'll automatically give you the blue name, which is the role for the traders. The green names are for our family. You know what I'm saying? It's everyone, whether, whether they want to be inside the premium or not, they're part of the free version. Flip, what did you trade today? We traded NQ shorts. Doing 300 push-ups for breaking my rules. Facts. Yo, continuation or nah? Bro, it's literally selling. It's selling, bro. I told you guys. Do not do anything, bro. It could literally come right back up and take that price. I wouldn't do anything else. That's why I literally closed my trade. Because you guys can't try to be rinsing this market for everything it has, bro. Holy moly, Casey, you did your thing, 21. If you want to say hi, go say hi in the fam chat, guys. But the green days are for testimonials, bro. Oh my god, that's fire, bro. That's some goat shit. To that moon. Bro did his thing, dog. I love that for you. I love to see people winning, bro. I love to see people winning. Yo, Deuce. I will help you off stream if you need, okay? But 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be in your email. I haven't had any issues with anyone joining off of the WAP. Just make sure your Discord information and your emails are similar. What was your entry? Can you explain, brother? Raz, you're so late. But I got you. It's selling like crazy, I know. I told you guys, Wednesday high of the week, sell off. I literally said that yesterday. Yeah, bro, it went to my spam, the code, but now the place where I need to enter it, it's gone on TikTok. You got to get the app. Get the WAP app. Get the WAP app, sign in, and then since you paid for it, it will already be inside of it, okay? And then you could just use the code. Yes, sir. Finna go to the gym. We done for today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got you, Raz. I'm gonna explain it one last time before I go. Oh, look at this monthly closure, by the way, chat. Because we're coming in on the monthly closure tomorrow. Weekly closure. Oh my gosh. Look at this, chat. Previous month high. Literally liquidated to the T and then fell off of a cliff, bro. You cannot make this up. 40-day liquidity. I teach that in the school as well, bro. Guys, tell me that wasn't to the T. Guys, who knows about the 60-40-20? Okay, we literally tested the 40-day liquidity and they're like, oh, how'd you know that? How'd you know it was gonna react off that? You gotta understand how the institutions work, bro. You have to understand how the algorithm is literally pricing in on a day-to-day basis. They operate off of monthly, weekly, daily. They took a monthly liquidity and we think we're just gonna keep flying to the moon? Unacceptable. It's not gonna happen. You think we're bearish for the day? Are you live on Discord? Not right now. Oh, bro, we're bearish for the rest of the week, bro. Do I need to create an account on WAP to create a password, right? What did you buy with? If you bought it, didn't you have to sign up to create a profile? You will sign in with that profile. If you bought it, you had to make a profile, which means use that same profile that you bought it with and sign into that profile. So when you are live on Discord, where can you join, bro? All right, so I'll show you right now. Holy, my boy up 908, baby. Let's go, Bilal. So look, we move the channels over real quick so you guys can see. Inside of the trading content, you see trading room right here. It'll look like this. I'll join the trading room. Everyone will be inside of the trading room. You will see something like this, okay? You will see something like this. Where we join the trade room, you'll see a bunch of people join the trade room. Yo, someone come join the trade room real quick. No joke, join the trade room real quick. Somebody come in the Discord and join the trade room real quick. Hey, what's good? You see, everyone just starts flooding in. What's good, fam? What's poppin'? Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Big trades today. That's how we do this. That boy was good, no joke. Hey, you happy about your new coach, bro? You happy about your new coach? Mike McCarthy? I knew it. Oh, that boy in the snow. Oh my gosh, I couldn't imagine that, bro. I would need like 5 jackets. Let's go. Holy moly, bro. Yo, look at these goofies, bro. Chat, I'm gonna pin his message. Chat, I'm gonna pin his message. Look at this. You can't be saying you want to help people and not be genuine about it. You're doing it for money. You're a clown, bro. You're a goofy, bro. You're literal goofy, bro. Respectfully. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. You don't even know me, twin. You don't even know me, Shun. You don't know me, Shun. $20 to make thousands. Come on, facts. $20 for people to make money like this. I mean, come on, bro. Dude's up 1100. Dude's up 900, bro. Dude's up 10 bands, 1,000, 5 bands. Like, come on, bro. $20? $20. I'm making crazy money off $20, bro. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yo, I want to hear your guys' opinion real quick. Someone in the chat just said, I want you guys to speak for me because y'all have been here for a minute now. The ones who have, I know, no joke, John. he goes, you can't be saying you want to help people and not be genuine about it. You're doing it for money. Wait. Say that one more time. Say that one more time. You got in when what? That's love, bro. That what's up? Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna battle this weekend for sure. Nah, for sure. Facts, facts. I just wanted to hear it from the people themselves, bro. For sure. That's what I'm talking about. No, for sure. Yo, say that one more time, my boy John. Come on, bro. W's in the chat for my boy John, man. No cat, we a big family, bro. No, for sure. I appreciate all the love, guys, and I'm beyond blessed to be a part of your guys' journey, bro. See you guys come up. It's been like, bro, I literally brought tears to my eyes hearing the fact that all my people are winning, bro, getting payouts. Like, it's much bigger than me, bro. Yes, sir. I'll catch up with you guys. Much love. God bless y'all. Y'all heard it here. Y'all heard it here, bro. Y'all heard it here, bro. Y'all heard it here live, bro. I don't gotta say nothing, man. I don't gotta say nothing. At the end of the day, the numbers gonna speak, bro. The people will speak for themselves. Um, it's just crazy. By the way, I just want to reiterate that I understand why it's $20. You're literally taking time out of your day to help other people. That's literally the only reason is my time. That's literally it. It's dropping hella. I know, Sierra. I know it's literally falling off a cliff. I told you we could go to the low of the week before anything else happens, but I just figured that it might pull back or something before I just figured it might pull back or something so that we can get that low of the week target for Friday, but it just looks like it just wants to go straight to the low of the week. I'm in Discord check now. Let me see. Yep. I see you, bub. You're in here. Big deuce, not the small one. Come on now. I'm glad I could get that all situated for you. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Um, but yes, chat, I just want to make it very clear one last time too. I allowed the first 300 people when I first started TikTok to be grandfathered into the business, which means they will never have to pay. They will never have to do anything. They are grandfathered in. They were grandfathered in. You know why? Because they took a chance on me whenever they didn't know me for anything. They didn't even care. I said, "Hey, here's a free Discord if y'all want to join. Y'all will be grandfathered into the business." I did that for 300 people. So if you want to say I only do this for money, what happened to the 300 people that I did it for free? While I was doing a whole 30 for 30, putting up mad profits, getting withdrawals, all this stuff. So it's 20 bucks a month. It's 20 bucks a month. And that price is going to change February 1st. Why you care about that? No, I just want it to be, I want it to be very known, because my people who are grandfathered in, they're now reaping the benefits even more, because they didn't know we were going to take off like this. But guess what? They took a chance. And sometimes in life, you got to take a chance. You got to take a risk. Nothing comes without a sacrifice. So if it's $20, that's your little McDonald's order. That's your little Starbucks coffee run. Like, sometimes it takes it. You know, it takes a little bit more time. But to see people's journey and to see people win is insane. Insane. Never, brother, you deserve it for your time. I know. But I like to make it very well known that I do this for the love of, obviously, at the end of the day, God's going to continue to use me as a vessel for his kingdom. So everything at the end of the day is in vain if it isn't for God. What was Caleb's question? Also, what do you do in the Discord? Like, do you just be teaching lives, etc.? Yes. So I told you guys, using Kelly's words, facts. I do 2 case studies a week. I'll show you what the case studies look like. If you're in the Discord, you'll be able to see already. But I'm dropping 4 this week because I'm a little behind. I had my brother's baby shower this past week, so it was kind of hard to do everything this last week, and I gave you guys a heads up on that. But here we go. This is like what the case studies will look like. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because obviously this is for my private members, but I'll do like case studies like this where I'll do PDFs on what price was like, how we were able to basically, what do you see? And then I'll go through what I see. You can zoom in on them. You can see price clear. You can understand what we used. I go through the optimal trade entry. I go through everything. I give you guys my fib levels. I tell you about standard deviations, give you the trade results. This is a typical New York reversal template. I give you everything you need to know. I do that twice a week for at least 2 trades per week. Okay? On top of the school that I do a class per week, and then on top of the live sessions. I'm literally giving you guys as much value as I can every day, practically. So W Mans went back to read my question. I appreciate that. No problem, bro. I got you. I try to read everyone in the chat. I really do. W asked day-to-day flip. Yes, sir. My boy Gilly. Bang. I really hope we do not take the low of the week, chat, because that will confirm us going down for tomorrow, potentially. If we don't do it in Asia or London, I want to see us give a full retracement, not all the way back up, but if we could retrace at least the 50% of today's range, that'll put us back into that daily fair value gap, which will give us a really good short for tomorrow, for the monthly closure. So everything else is low probability, guys. We already have cleared every form of liquidity. We cleared the 4-hour liquidity. We have just cleared the 1-hour liquidity. We cleared the 1-hour order block. We took the 1-hour displacement low right here that I had outlined since Monday. And so yeah, I just feel like everything else is low probability. If you do want to continue to try to short this to the low of the week, just be careful. I think we can have a small pullback and to fill some of the balance sheets of this big. I mean, bro, we're down just from the start of today. We're down 800 points, bro. That's not good. That's not good. We're down 500 points since market open. If you look at the PO3 of today, look at this. 700. Look at the side. 758 points we're down right now on NASDAQ. And we caught a lot of it. We caught from here. Bro, we caught more than half of the move. We caught 470 points on today. And if you're still holding, you're still in profit. No. The free members are green. The paid members are blue. You got it backwards, my bub. My boy, you got it backwards. We literally caught 400 points today. We have a daily breaker block plus fair value gap. I know. That's why I want to see this come and turn back up, kind of fill some of this liquidity here. What a day, facts. What a day, chat. What a day. It's days like this where y'all always are like, take your profits, partial, partial, partial. But it's days like this where price just literally continues. And when you drag that stop profit, when you take your partials and let your trade ride, this is how you let the gift continue to give. This is how the blessing continues to bless you, is when you let your trades ride to your external range targets. Yes, internal ranges is where you take your partials, you move your stop loss into profit, all of those things. But these are the days like this where I constantly stress, I don't mind getting hit out at break even. I don't mind my trade running back up to my entry, because it's days like this that I stay consistent to my rules, and price will bless us even more. Molly with the heart me. Shout out Molly in the chat. We love Molly. Good morning. Listen, I obviously have, bro, I'm not even going to go into him, bro. I'm literally not even going to give him the time of day. If he says another thing, he's just going to get muted, bro. See? Look. He's going to get muted, bro. Because obviously he hasn't been here since the beginning of stream. The entrance will never get old. Come on now. That's what I'm talking about, Molly. We love Molly here. Chat, what a beautiful day today. Oh my gosh. So we put up 1,000 on this account. We brought it back to even. We will resume this account either tomorrow or next week. But we already have one profitable trading day. All we need is 4 more, and we are qualified for a payout, which is beautiful. And then on our top step, we are up 2K on the day. On our top step, we're up 2K on the day, and we have 400 left until our buffer is over. So it's a beautiful day today, chat. 3K day in total. You can't complain, bro. I cannot complain, bro. I cannot complain, chat. Let me go ahead and respond to some of these DMs just in case they got any questions. Chat doesn't have my mentor have some fire dance moves. Chat, everyone go like and comment on my new post. I literally posted a post today before stream. Everyone go like and comment. Holy moly, everyone's asking for the link. Let me send everyone the link real quick before I get off. I usually do it after I get off, but I'm going to stick with you guys for like another 30 minutes. I bought Discord last month, but I don't have full access. My name and my email. Let me see. What is your Discord name? And is your Discord name longs now? No, not yet. There's still no market structure shift. Chat, let's put on a little music in the background too. Hold up. I want this one. No. This one. You're not live on Discord right now? No. I will be live on Discord starting February. If you'd only believe in me. And took out the snakes. Oh! We love Molly! The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith. I saw on my seat. I did it in faith. And he made it great. Have a good day. Maybe I will catch you later if you are on. I might get on later. I'm not sure yet. Everyone who DM'd me, I just got back to everyone. Make sure you check your DMs, chat. Gotta do great at this rate. Be like that, I won't love you honestly. I'm so attached. If you don't believe, I'm believing in you. The devil be talking, I don't entertain. I'm walking in faith. Put me in good soil and took out the snakes. Don't you be like that, I will love you honestly. That boy Noble. What that boy Noble? I would love to see this thing turn back up. Rise, I'm in the process of making here. Flip, what did I miss? Tori! We had a fat trade today. A beautiful, big trade today. So hard. Bro, dangerous. Too many points per second. Wait for volatility to slow down. Probably Asia. Yeah. A9 to the stone heart. Chat, make sure you're getting into the Discord. Make sure you're getting in the Discord. Tomorrow is the last day that I will be live before AM session. BRB, I just got a $100 Instacart order. W! Blessings on blessings, no joke. Come on now. We love to hear it. That's a true hustler, bro. I love the fact that my boy is literally not playing around. He literally just be grinding. I'm gonna wait for that inversion. No, facts. You know what I'm getting through. Dang, that shit's tough. Would you recommend to learn from... Who would you recommend? Of course, the original source, bro. ICT, Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. I always point you guys back to the direction of who I learned from. Was this from news or did it just drop? No, this is just... It just dropped. It just dropped off a cliff. You take a trade today? Yes, I did. We took shorts off this high. In 5 hours, Trump speaking? I know. He speaks right before market closes, so he'll probably push price back up a little bit, hopefully. You trade options, Unc, or just futures? Futures only. I used to trade Forex, but I only trade futures now. I really hope it leaves this weekly low intact, bro. I want to get a nice trade for tomorrow, guys. How have you been? 2 stone for you? Bro, been good. I've been good. How about you, fam? How about you? Chat, I'm only going to be here for like another 30 minutes, okay? I'm only going to be here for like another 30 minutes. Chat, we're officially at 77 members, bro. It's kind of crazy because I said I was going to up my price after 100 members. And we're already kind of like getting to that right now as we speak. We have 23 spots remaining, bro, at this price. I was the 77th? I think so. I think you were. Did you just sign up? I think so. Damn, Dominic just came in too. 78. $79. Holy. No, I do not trade sync right now. Chio, appreciate the follow. Do you have the classes recorded? Yes. Make sure that you guys are going into the trading announcements. I have it pinned in the chat what you guys need to do in order to get into the school. Okay? I have it pinned in the chat what you guys need to do to be able to get into the school. Just send me, it's just sending me your name from Discord and sending me your name from your school name. So you got to make a school account and then you got to make send me your school name and your Discord name. That way I can verify it for you guys and then I'll just give you quick access. It's really easy. I'm 78th. Yeah, I seen that, Dom. Hey, Flip, paid for the Discord group, not seeing anything. What are you not seeing? Let me see. Let me see if you're in the Discord first. What's your name on Discord, Pete? I see you're in here. Your name's Blue. So you should be able to see everything. The school is called this. SKOOL. Shout out Ashley. Ashley just pulled up. You in this or not? No, we already took the trade. Reversing on the 1 minute? I know. That's what I wanted to see. We just took a higher time frame low. On the page, it says I have to join the free Discord view product. No. Pete, you got to go into the Discord. Pete, you already have a role in the Discord. Let me show you. Your name is Blue, which means you have a trader role. There's a member role that's for free, and there's the trader role. You already have a trader role. So you can come in and you can see every channel inside of here. You can see what's in those channels and everything. You should be good to go. Go to Discord now. It's you don't need anything else on the WAP. You think longs are valid? I told you we could definitely come and test the 50% of today's range. Because it's going to want to balance some of this price out. This is all inefficient price. It's just a straight liquidity void. So, yeah, it could definitely come back up. It could come back up to like 25,900. I definitely see this liquidity being taken at 25,824. I just wanted to see when that would take place. We still have insufficient lows, but I would want to leave those lows. What symbol? This is an NQ. It's literally on the screen. Caught that whole dump. That's what I'm talking about. Guapos. Past 5 evals. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Think we're bullish? I think we could start turning up bullish, but we've got to see that market structure shift. On a 1-minute time frame, we did take that high right here, and we did create displacement. So now this is either going to be used as a breakaway gap, because look, we took this low. No, that's created equal lows, but we took this high. So now, like I was saying before, price could want to come take this the short-term buy-side liquidity. We don't need any of this anymore because we just basically went through everything. You know what's crazy? I told you guys the entry that was off the 30-second time frame. Look at this. I literally told you guys that we were going to break through this order block right here. Y'all remember me saying this? This is recorded, so y'all can always go back in the recording. I literally said go to the 30-second time frame. Once price breaks this, it will retest it and it will keep dropping. I literally told you guys that. So that was entries right here and right here that you could have got shorts in off of, and then held it right at the high to continue price all the way down. He said you predicted this move yesterday. I know. Chino, for the people who've been here, bro, it's low-key crazy. I literally said market maker profile Wednesday, high of the week template to the T. To the T, bro. I literally called this yesterday. Before news, before we got interest rates, before Powell spoke, literally AM session yesterday, I predicted this to happen. It's all glory to God, bro, I swear. I joined the school. My name's White Boy John. Both Discord on school. I got you. I got you, Johnny boy. Johnny Test. You got a follow for me? Hey, I appreciate the follow. I got you. I just approved you. Andre, Toys, appreciate all the follows, guys. Are you trading anymore? Probably not. Not today. I'm content with my 2K day. If anything, I will trade my alpha futures just because why not? But I'm already up 1,000 on that account as well. Well, I'm up 1,500 on that account just in today alone. So I should have been joined, just been hella busy with work. Bet, brother. Thank you. No problem. No cap. So I'm literally up 3,500 on between both my accounts today. No cap. Should I enter right now and hold? No. I think if there is going to be a trade back to this buy side liquidity, I think we can get it for a PM session. But it could want to go straight to it. Because I told you, they literally accumulated buy side liquidity to the T. This is engineered highs to the T. Need to get 1,400 out of drawdown on my fundeds. Kane, I was just down 1,500 on my funded today, and I got it back with one entry, only 5 micros. So it's definitely possible, bro. You just gotta be very precise, very patient, and just understand where the market's going. I also told you guys that as we get closer to the end of the week, we step into higher probability markets. Okay? I literally told you guys that at the beginning of the week. So the fact that we're coming on Wednesday, Thursday, and smacking trades like this just goes to show that you guys on Mondays don't need to be blowing your accounts. Y'all don't need to be shooting for the moon, aiming for the stars. Guys, take little base hits. Little base hits. Stack the account balance. Build your confidence. And then as we get later into the week, you will be able to fully understand where the market's going for the weekly closure. I told you guys this was going to happen also because tomorrow is the last day of the trading month. So next week we will be in February. Flip Mode Squad, what's good? How we doing, Kamani? W Kamani in the chat, man. So yeah, we're going for the monthly closure, weekly closure and monthly closure. Okay, I think I'm good. Do I need to do anything else? Pete, what I want you to do is go to the trading announcements. Okay? Did you go to the trading announcements? I need you to go to the trading announcements if you didn't and look for the pinned message. Okay? It's going to have a pinned message. Or scroll up until you see the link for the SKOOL school. Okay? Once you do that, DM me on TikTok your school name and your Discord name so that I can put you inside of the school so that you can see the recordings that I already have, the first 6 recordings. Okay? Holy moly, we're almost at 1,000 members in the Discord. Linzo, it says you're blue. I have full access for morning trading in the Discord. Yeah, you have access, Linzo. You're good. Did you make a school account and request access? Do you think it will buy up now? I told you guys, I think it's going to go to this short-term buy-side liquidity. So it would be ST buy-side liquidity. And I've been highlighting this since the beginning of session, so you guys should have been able to know or see. I just told you guys for wait for that market structure shift. Once we got that market structure shift, now anything that we expand from, this could be the BPR, which could give us a retracement back to here, or an entry down here to take price to that for PM session. This is only retracing because we're about to go into London close. I messaged you on TikTok. Let's see. All right, just making sure I get back to everybody. Okay, hold up. More people are asking for the link. Dom, what time does London close? Noon Eastern. How much is the school? It's a part of the private Discord. Got that F1 tag? You already know. Hey Flip, you mentioned we would have to send you our Discord and school name, my Discord name. Hold up. You said your Discord name was Dom. Okay, so your name is Blue. You should be able to see the trading announcements. Did you request access for school? All right, let me go back to the school real quick and make sure we ain't got no more requests. I got Neck. I just added you, Neck. You're good to go. Peter's good to go. Big Lawn 27. Hold up. I'm troubleshooting for you guys too. I don't think you even joined the Discord, bro. Join the Discord through that link. Join the Discord through WAP. There should be an email sent to you. I'm working on that this next month. It will be a heavy price though. Comes with different benefits as well. For the people that are looking for a one-time price, I just got a message about a one-time price. I am working on a one-time price, but I do want to let you know that it does come with different like perks or benefits other than what I'm already giving for the monthly. Okay? Just give me some time. I am working on a one-time payment because I do know people don't want to make, big payment. They don't want to take monthly payments. That's fine. But I do want to let you guys know also that that price will be heavy. It will be a heavy price because I am taking on clients on a very personal level. So it will be like an application process, and we will have to sit down and talk, get on a call, and we will talk about it. Okay? Let me just make sure. Not seeing anything from today yet. What do you mean? Everything from today, I have not done anything today. I'm on TikTok today. So my bad. I'm chilling. What's good with you? What's good, bro? I'm just chilling when I'm trying to get everybody situated. Do you think it will buy up now? Yeah. How much is the school? I told you it's part of the Discord. Message you on TikTok. What time is London closed? London closed. Yes. Got edged. Do you think it'll go hitting the 25,900? Yes, I do still think we can go to that 25. First, we're going to go to 25,825 if we were to buy it back up right there. Hey, bro, do you have any tips on quitting? You got to replace things of your time that are of substance so that it takes up the time of you having the urge to do that. What do you mean, Mari? Can I add you to the Discord? Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. It could go to the 29, to the 25.9, but I anticipate 25.825 first more than anything. But like I said, we could be wanting to accumulate orders right here. Do something like this, or price has done this. We create our market structure shift. We show the fact that price wants to go higher, but at the end of the day, it could still want to come down, trickle, and then give us that push back up to here for PM session. So lunch is literally 30 minutes away. So price may want to trickle its way down, create that reversal here, and then start to inch its way back up like that. Okay? So just be patient, chat. We made the IFVG on the 15, I understand. But we still have to close through that 50% because we're reacting off of it. So that's why I say I want to see price come back down into these areas and then give us a better reaction, because this is potentially a market structure shift, but price has not taken this. So we may want to see something like this, takes the low again, then comes back up. Everything is lower probability now, guys. I just see the fact that we do have a buy side, an open short-term buy side liquidity that I would love to target. I would love to target. We're already down 800 points, bro. We're already down 800 points on the day. You don't want to sit here and keep selling this thing. They're going to want to balance out their price sheets. Oh, she needs the link. I got you. What's the school, bro? I get access to that from paying for the membership. Yes, it's in the trading announcements. Make sure you guys are going to the trading announcements. Bro, holy moly, the Discord is flooding in like crazy. Holy moly, bro's up 3 bands. That boy Deuce is up 1700. I love seeing the Green Days, bro. I literally, oh my gosh, I literally love seeing the Green Days. Imagine this being your mentor. Not this guy. Love to see you win, Flip, man. I love to see everyone winning, bro. Potentially, yes. I might enter longs for PM just on my alpha futures, but today I'm gonna take my 2K day on my top step. A 1,000 with one micro is insane. The PM session is 130 to 3 or 4, 330 or 4, I mean. But the macro is 110 to 140. So I'm currently up 600 on GC longs off of one micro.
Last time. I think I came in very prepared. This time we're locked in back in the Arctic. It's colder than last time. It's windier than last time. It's negative 45 degrees Celsius. That's a giant frozen lake behind me in a space camp.
Bro, I couldn't have not imagined being negative 45. I appreciate you, Flip. No problem, St. Brown. Let me make sure that there's people that haven't asked for requests for the school. Dom, I just got you, brother. You're all set. We almost have 100 members inside of the school, even though we should have like all of our members inside of the school. Can you do a trade recap? I was in your trade when you hit TP, but I didn't see the confluences. I called this trade yesterday, Sleepy. I need the school link. It's in the Discord. Hi, Lindsay. Shout out Lindsay in the chat. We love Lindsay. I need the stool. Thank you for the heart me. That's love. Appreciate the shared lives, guys. Hold me now. I'm 6 feet from the edge, and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet ain't far now. Listen, Tori, the school link is inside of the Discord. It's inside of the trading announcements. If you're inside of the private community, then it's inside of the trading announcements. Just make sure when you request access for the school, DM me on TikTok your school name and your Discord name, and I'll got you. Okay? Do you think trading is the method in the 26? Listen, trading has been the method since like 2017, 2018, bro. I'm going to be honest. If you got started in 2017, 2018, you would understand exactly where we're at now. Hey, what's good with Sadie? Sadie in the building, y'all. What's good, Sadie? Lost my funded. Oh my gosh. Yo, what's good, Sadie? She's part of GFTD, you know what I'm saying? She part of the F1 crew. You know what I'm saying? F1 in the building. Passed my first funded today. That's what I'm talking about. We love hearing the results. We love hearing the results, man. '03 Mustang, move in silence. Keep moving in silence, twin. Keep moving in silence. New job, loan officer wave. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Get to that bag, girl. Get your bag. Flip, I need 300 to pass my first funded tomorrow. No problem. We gonna get to it. I made 1,500 in less than 3 minutes, bro. You're the best. Listen, I'm just a vessel for the kingdom, bro. Everything happens for a reason. All glory be to God, bro. I'm just continuing to follow the path that he has paved for me, man. That's it. I'm staying down for the journey, regardless of the wins, the losses, the blown accounts, the withdrawals, the withdrawal payouts. Like, you just got to stay down, bro. You got to stay the course and trust in your journey, bro. Your dance video fire? Hee hee. That's what I'm talking about, Lindsay. We love to hear that. Oh my gosh. It's crazy because I posted that today in chat. I posted that today and we caught 800. Should I post every single day about NQ? I literally posted today that I already got on a knee and walked down the aisle for NQ, which is this beautiful thing that just blessed us with 700 points today. And sure enough, chat, she literally gave us the biggest blessing of the month. Is that not crazy or what? She said maybe we just need more dancing videos. 100%. You looking for shorts or longs? I could see potential longs into the short-term buy-side liquidity. I'ma do something I never did to you, girl. Oh, you're so good, brother. Thanks. I'm coming in your live now again. Okay, for sure. Yeah, what's good, Raz? Just read your message. She said, hey, I sent requests to join the school. Wait, Ashley joined? Shout out Ashley in the chat, man. Hold up, let me see. I got you all taken care of, Ash. I hope. Ashley, you should be all good to go. I'ma do something I never did to you, girl. Tell your friends we ain't coming out tonight. Let's go, chat. Let's go. One thing is, what's one thing you analyze when review a losing trade? Where my entry was, where my stop loss was, and how I was basically faked in the market. Because usually if I do get hit, it's usually like a fake out. So usually if I'm really on the wrong side of the market, then it was something that I had seen and I just turned a blind eye to. So I'll just go back in price and see what I missed and how I could have played it different. Obviously, risk management is key. So understanding your risk and where you have your entry and stop loss. Can't win every single trade, chat. I got it. Thank you. No problem. But tonight, girl, I'm gonna show you, let the party begin. And I'll do something I never did to you, girl. Top Step is good? Oh, yeah. I love Top Step. I traded my EBT money away. I'm guessing. Put the tunes on. Okay. Let's do it. I probably got like 20 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to go to the gym. We'll see if we can get a PM entry, if anything, but it's looking like Price may just want to run to that thing already. Oh. Top Step takes EBT. Say you swear. You can copy trade 5 accounts on Top Step. First time in a long time. Took a lot of years. It's fine too. Let's see how many students we have now. 78. Holy moly, chat. Wait, how did we go down one? Yeah. I guess I went too fast. What's the name of that banger? Which one? What time are you doing afternoon shift? Usually I come to the live by like 1 o'clock. I might have to pull up in the gym, go live in the gym. But if we go to this short-term buy-side liquidity before 1 p.m., then I'm good. I don't even want to trade. The only time I can see us really doing anything crazy is if we completely close through this and then come back and retrace and then give us an entry. Chat, I'm a little kind of tired. Attaboy G Banks, appreciate that. Bra Wheezy, appreciate the follow. You traded 5 accounts today? No. I only have 2. I got 2 accounts, chat. Flip, when should we start getting into copy trading? I think once you can at least accumulate 1 to 3 payouts. I think 3 payouts is ideal. Okay? 3 payouts is ideal. That way you're not, giving any money back from your first withdrawal. But if you can accumulate 3 solid payouts, I would say, and you actually see what you know what you see and you can process everything correctly, I don't see why not. I think you should get more accounts and go crazy. Good shit today, Papa. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, my G. Yo, chat. I gotta play this song because like I'm just feeling like this song right now. I'm just feeling this song right now. Hold up. I'm just feeling this. Made 1,600 across 4 accounts. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, let's go, Eddie. Let's go, Eddie. Eddie, turn up, Eddie. Just go crazy, Eddie. Turn up, Eddie. We took shorts today, chat. You should go with 5 accounts, brother. You will rock 100%. I will. I want to get more payouts first. Oh, yeah, this the jam? Give me 1 second, chat. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. My brother's girlfriend made 26K from shorts. I made 5K. My brother made 10K. That's what I'm talking about, chat. ICT, yes. All ICT. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. That shit genuinely changed lives. Holy. That's what I'm talking about, Kuzi. Let's go, chat. What y'all know about my Spanish playlist, though? Sola. Hey. Of course I'm Puerto Rican. I'm Puerto Rican, chat. Hey. Here we go, chat. Sola. We're holding above the order block now, which is the inverse 15-minute inverse fair value gap. 50%. Long? Not right now. I want to see a retracement. This could be a breakaway gap, though. I would love to see this come back down here, though. But if it doesn't, it's okay. I'm not gonna force it. Because now the 50% is here. That's the BPR. So if we balance out the range and then we start giving bullish volume, you're going to see the short-term buy-side liquidity rated. Chat, y'all want to see the entries on my take profit? Look at that. 1 hour candle. That's all I needed. We literally caught the 1 hour high. Look at the 1 minute. Look at that. Come on, man. You're Dominican poppy. I love it. No. Puerto Rican. But hey, we love it. We love it, chat. Hey. No. I mean, you can hold your long if you want, but I would put it at break even because we could come back to the BPR of this range. What's the difference? I teach and I will be trading only live inside of the trading Discord, the trading side. The paid version will only get, I teach for them. I do case studies for them. Ecuadorian over here. Hey, we love it, yeah, we love it. And I will be doing live trading starting in February inside of the Discord only. Okay? And we will come to the live stream after we get our AM session trades. Okay? That's what comes with the paid Discord. How many micros do you gonna take? I took 5 micros today, so obviously I would downsize. I would probably only use like 3 to 5 again. No need to risk anything whenever you're up. If you are, I would just go half the risk. Okay? No reason to give any form of profits back to the market. We caught 700 points. No need to be greedy. No need to be greedy. Okay? No need to be greedy. I can show you guys our entries on here as well. I was taking partials along the whole way down. But our same entry was the same thing we caught up here. Same entry on both accounts. I made an account, tried to log in, and it says you already have access to this free product. Visit your membership to access the content. So cancel your free access. Oh, let me just tell her. Let me just tell her. Cancel the free. Yeah, cancel the free one and then just go to the premium. Too late to take shorts. Yeah, I wouldn't try to short this anymore, to be honest. That's just me though. I think we'll leave these the low of the week for tomorrow. Is that MES? No. This is NQ. We also had a SMT at the London High as well. We had SMT at London High, so I knew NQ was going to fall harder than ES today. Even though ES probably shorted as well, I knew that NQ was going to short longer because that was the one that actually gave the break in structure. We are 8 minutes from lunch session, guys. You shouldn't be taking any trades. Just sit on your hands and wait for PM. Wait for 1 o'clock Eastern time. Okay, wait for 1 o'clock Eastern. Hold up, let me play another song. This is my song right here. This is my song, chat. Jorge! Appreciate the follow, my guy. Adore, appreciate the follow. La Hoyo. Hey. Puerto Rico, bro. Puerto Rico. San Juan. I got family in San Juan and Ponce. Hey. Yes, sir. My boy Jorge. Guys, I do have a Spanish educator on the way as well. He was one of my first students that I introduced into the game like 4 years ago, bro. I took him from the ground up. He was a crypto trader. I taught him how to trade Forex. I taught him how to trade futures. Right now, he's bringing his wife from Cuba over to the US. He's doing it the legit way. He got her papers and everything. Everything is great. So I'm just waiting. You know, I told him take his time. We're gonna build the community. But we are gonna have a Spanish educator as well. He trades exactly like me. I helped him get his first withdrawals. I helped turn him into a self-sufficient trader, and he smacks the market. For the month of December. No, I know, Jorge. I'm just speaking for everyone who is, you know, I do have people in the community that are Spanish speakers. And so I wanted to make that very clear as well. We are going to go global, chat. We are going global. All right? We are going to be going global. I don't know if I'm tripping. I'm from Sweden. I'm going to join so fast I can, as fast as I can, Flip. No worries, bro. Raz, just make sure you get in before February 1st, bro, please. Because I gave out the 300 free memberships and people were coming after saying, yo, bro, I've been here since the beginning. I want a free membership. But once that door closes, chat, there is no turning back. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I've had this opportunity open for the last 3 months, 4 months since September going into October, we've had it at this price. And I told you guys for the first 100 members, I was going to keep it at $20. So I've been giving out the same value, the same knowledge, the same everything, adding more and more and more each month. So the more that we continue to see the testimonials, the results, the value being given, the price, I'm never looking to price gouge you guys. I'm gonna keep that a buck too. Like I know what it was like to have like first get into the game and not have the right resources. That's why I always point you guys to ICT, Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. It's all free, but it's thousands and thousands of hours of content. Okay, it's thousands of hours of content that I had to go through. Literally watched, rewatched, restarted videos, fell asleep watching videos, restarted watching videos. Chat, it took me a long time to get to where I'm at. So what you guys pay for is the time that I'm taking to invest into you guys. It's never, the value is there. I don't have to question the value. It's a matter of the time that I'm taking day in and day out. I was literally on live 2 days ago for 9 hours just doing case studies alone for you guys. I work overtime to make sure that this Discord eats. Okay? My private members are my main focus. Those are the ones who are paying for my time. So obviously, they come as first priority. The people who are getting in for free, I love you guys just as much, and I want to pour into you guys as well. But at the end of the day, I got to commit to the ones who are actually taking it, their money, and putting it where their mouth is to see change and to see growth in their lives in this trading journey. Okay? So I'm not here to price gouge no one. That's why I did 300 members for free. I'm not here to price gouge no one. It's $20. It's literally a Starbucks run, your Taco Bell order. It's literally that. Yes, I studied ICT before ICT launched his stuff for free. I was studying ICT back in 2020. Like, I had his 2016, 2017 Sniper Series, Precision Series. I had all of that stuff. I was one of his students, bro. So, at the end of the day, you guys have to understand it took me a long time to get to where I'm at. But I'm giving you guys the value for nothing. There's people that, like he said, he's 19 years old. He's been with me for 5-6 months. And bro just maxed payout on Top Step. That's a blessing, bro. That's a blessing. So like I said, I'm just here. I'm blessed to be a blessing. I'm a vessel for the kingdom, bro. I'm not here to price gouge you guys, but people do not take you serious until they have to put their money where their mouth is. Unless it's a gym membership. People will sign up at the beginning of the year. They will go maybe once or twice and then let it just keep renewing. But like at the end of the day, like chat, the value's there. You know what I'm saying? The value is there. I'm not answering no questions on pocket watching. All right, y'all want to pocket watch? I post my dashboard inside of the Discord every week for my members. If you want to be here to understand how much I make, I take all my trades live in front of you. I show you guys my withdrawal statements and I show you guys my dashboard every week. I'm not here to answer your pocket watching questions, okay? If you've been here, you have seen I'm the most transparent person. There's very few traders that are as transparent as we are over here. Obviously, there are a couple people on the app that are just as transparent, and that's why I've linked arms with them. Like my boy Benjamin SMC is a great trader. You know what I'm saying? There are other people on this app that trade just like me, and they make good money, and that's great. But guys, I took 2.5 years off. And facts, W Ben, for real. I took 2 years off, and I'm 6 months back in the game. So let's get it. Greetings from Bulgaria. That's what I'm talking about. We're going global, chat. We're going global. I want to do a meet and greet this year. I want to do like a 5 to 6 city tour with all of our members. We're going to do a vote to see where the most members are, and we're going to do meet and greets. Ben is the GOAT. He's good people, not just a good trader. No, exactly. He's another person who centers his community around God. Okay? He centers his community around God, and there's nothing more than I can respect that. You know what I'm saying? I respect that, and I can't wait to see where his journey takes him, and we're linked together. Like, bro, me and Ben have talked before. We talked about collabing, we talked about doing stuff. Like, it's just a matter of time, chat. It's just a matter of time. Everything will unfold when the time comes. Everything will come into fruition. What's his at? Benjamin SMC. Benjamin underscore SMC. Check him out. He's on YouTube. He's on TikTok. Would be good to see you two work together. No, 100%. We are definitely gonna do something together. So just let it play out, chat. You know, there's no rush into anything. He's doing his thing. He's in his lane. I'm in my lane. We do our thing, and that's what we do now, chat. Bro, getting views now, bro. We've been averaging a good amount of views for a little bit now, but that only comes with continuing. He got me past my first eval and my first payouts following him. That's what I'm saying. We hit a change of character. I know that was off of the 1 minute order block that I showed you guys. The order block was here from the 50% of the inverse fair value gap. I told you guys we could, you know, anchor this, and that could be used to continue to that short-term buy-side liquidity. But I'm not taking any trades because we are in lunch session, guys. We are in lunch session, so I'm not going to take any trades. I told you guys, wait for 1 o'clock. If it gives the trade before 1 o'clock, then that's just a part of my rules personally. Is this MNQ? Yes. Ben is in the Dominican Republic right now. He's enjoying life. Bro, that's what I'm saying. He's doing his thing. I love Ben, bro. He's a good person. He genuinely is a good person. He's young, and I love to see the fact that he's able to accomplish so much in such a short amount of time, like in his youth. You know what I'm saying? He put in a lot of work. He talks about his journey, and I respect it. I respect it a lot, bro. I respect it a lot. You can't hate on someone that, you know, sacrificed all that he sacrificed. And even what happens behind, you know, closed doors or off stream, and you guys will never be able to truly fathom what, you know, some of these traders got to go through to get to where they're at, including me. So it's a blessing, bro. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to find other people that have very similar journeys, very similar mindsets, like-minded individuals that are all looking to seek helping people out. What's that 29 out of 365 count, Flip? I'm trying to go live every single day for this whole year, regardless if I have a chart on the screen or if we're battling people. I am trying to go live every single day this year. I told myself I want to commit to my TikTok family, our TikTok community, and I want to stay consistent. I want to be disciplined to the consistency behind showing up for you guys day in and day out. So that's why I said even if we are continuing to only be trading inside of the, you know, Discord for the morning sessions, I'm doing my best to continue to still show up for my TikTok family that have been supporting me since, you know, the beginning of August of last year. And so yeah, that's why that count is up there. Raz, I appreciate everything you say, brother. And we'll talk. We'll talk. Okay, we'll talk about everything. Don't worry. I'll make sure that like I said, I'm never here to price gouge people, bro. So you've been here since the beginning, bro. We'll talk, bro. We'll talk. When the time comes, just talk to me, okay? I respect you being honest. At the end of the day, blessed to be a blessing, man. This is a 5-minute time frame. Yes, Rachel. Bitcoin is a good buy right now, man. Let me see. Bitcoin's down 4,000. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin's down 4,000, chat. I've been looking for this for a while now, bro. I've been looking for this low. I wanted to come down to 80,000. So We have 80,000 and 74,000 before we reach this weekly fair value gap. I mean, daily fair value gap, I'm sorry. Which was right under old price. Yeah. So I was looking at 80,000 to 75,000 on Bitcoin. Those were my levels. So until then, I'm not enticed to buy anything on Bitcoin. I'm just going to let it keep falling off a cliff. Weekly time frame, we could definitely come in and take this weekly low, both weekly lows. So for me personally, I do not look at Bitcoin right now as a good buy. Ali, it's okay. It's okay. We got plenty of more opportunities that will come. Okay? Plenty of opportunities that will come. I told you guys at the beginning of the week that as soon, like, the more that we get into the later points of the week, Bitcoin isn't going lower. That's just what I see. I'm not a crypto trader, chat. I'm not a crypto enthusiast. I'm not none of that. You know what I'm saying? I do think crypto will be the future, but me personally, I'm not into crypto like that. I trade my futures and my forex. That's what I specialize in, and everyone was saying Bitcoin wouldn't go down to this, and that, and I called Bitcoin at 3,000. You know what I'm saying? I called Bitcoin going back to 12K. I've called Bitcoin a couple different times. So, I mean, we can agree to disagree, but that's just what I see. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Respectfully. Respectfully. That's just me. Like you said, it doesn't have to go lower, bro, but that's just me. That's what I see. Due to technicals, that's just what I see, man. That's just what I see, chat. So we have tomorrow's class. Like I said, we will be going over fair value gaps and breakaway gaps. On top of, I will be looking to work my behind off on getting you guys those 4 case studies so that I can be up to date on our case studies. And then we will drop the 2 case studies from this week, probably in the weekend as well. Okay, I will do my best because I already know the 2 case studies that I want to do. I'm going to do a case study today on today's trade, and then I'm going to do a case study on yesterday's trade, probably because we delivered straight to the low of the day and retraced back up. So I think that was a beautiful, beautiful case study that we could do. But that's just me. Check silver. Let's see. You know what's crazy? You know what's crazy, chat? Silver literally blasted up after not wanting to take these lows. But we did take previous day lows. We did kind of just fill this 4-hour fair value gap. So, like, I can understand why it's probably going up a little bit. But we do have 1 hour equal lows and 1 hour insufficient lows. So I could potentially see silver come and take these for the end of tomorrow. Or even in Asia session, we could probably either wick up into here, kind of fill this breaker block, and then look to sell off. So silver could be a nice sell into, 103, 101 area. All right. That's what I see on silver. But I'm just going to sit on the sidelines until she gives a better outlook on everything. Look at how price is looking to retrace back into that 50% of today's range. Yep, 50% is that 25,900, which is the low from that Tuesday low. I love how we're leaving insufficient lows on higher time frame as well, 1 hour and 4 hour. The 4 hours still inside of that 4 hour fair value gap, so you guys got to be aware of that as well. That's probably why we're kind of seeing some pushback up, and we still have that that 1 minute short term buy side liquidity that needs to be filled as well, because they literally to the T gave price engineered equal highs off that high. Like, that was just so textbook right there. Did you take a trade today? Yes, we caught shorts from market open. What's the best prop firm for you? I personally love Top Step, but I did take a step away from Top Step. I mean, not a step away, but I did kind of venture off from Top Step as well. I do like Alpha Futures. I like Alpha Futures because their max payout is 15K instead of 5K. On Top Step, it's only 5K. Okay? So I like the fact that on Alpha Futures, they give you 15K max payouts. So for me, I feel like that's really good. Really good. On one account, you can receive up to 15K withdrawal. and then you can have up to, I believe, 3 active accounts. Can you take a payout every week? I think it's I think you can take a payout every week. It's every 5 trading days. Oh, on Top Step? Yeah. It's every 5 trading days. So as long as you meet your buffer and you go above your buffer and you have 5 winning trading days of, not consecutively, but 5 winning trading days of above 150, which Monday through Friday, that's 5 trading days. And if you do above 150, then you can get a payout. So yes. Yes, max payout. No, on any account. On any account, max payout on Top Step is only 5K. That's why I kind of ventured off into Alpha Futures to give a little bit more of like a payout so that you can actually get 15K. How much did you risk when you first passed? I was risking on my big accounts, the 150K, I was risking 5 to 10 micros. But I did increase my risk as I got closer because there was some trades where I just had, you know, A plus setups. I will risk a little bit more because I know that if price does move the opposite way, I'm very precise with where I put my stop loss. Sometimes it could be, you know, my downfall because sometimes I'll get wicked out, and then like yesterday we went down $1,000 before we went up 1,000, and that was just literally because we got wicked out. But yeah, I got an advanced Alpha Futures. I got a 100K advanced Alpha Futures account right now. Can you explain the consistency rate? So that's another thing that I like about the Alpha Futures is there is no consistency rate as after you get funded. Okay, so once you pass the eval, there is no consistency. The only consistency is the fact that he said flip, my entry was 25, 632, 75 so far, up 600 on 2 clones W. That one gives you 15K payout, yes. Yes, it does. So a 50% consistency is basically if you have a profit target of, like my profit target on here was 9K on the Top Step, okay? You cannot make more than 4,500 in one day. Or I believe they give you a $100 buffer, so you cannot make more than 4,600 in one day. Okay? If you do, then you violate the consistency rule, which you'll have to put up more than just the 9K. So if you do one, let's say you have 2 really good days. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you have 2 really good days. You'll have a $4,500 day and you have another $4,500 day. You can pass the account in 2 days. For Top Step and or for Alpha Futures, either one. Both. Those are the only 2 that I personally recommend because those are the only 2 that I'm on right now. So I'm never going to tell you guys what to do with other prop firms because I haven't tested those other prop firms. Should I TP at buy side liquidity or let this big ride all the way up? I would say close 70% of your position at short-term buy side liquidity. And then if you want to continue to hold it, as long as you're at break even, do your thing. But at least take profit, you know, at least take some profit to make sure that you are winning the trade. Because then at the end of the day, if it comes back to your break even, at least you took money off the trade. You know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong. I can't stress this enough. You can never go wrong taking profits. You can never go wrong taking profits, guys. So if you're on TradingView, right? And you're on, let's say, I put in 5 micros right here, right? I was in sells. So what I did was I took 3 off here, I believe. Yep, 3 off. So if you're in sells, you want to buy it. Okay? If you don't want to buy it for the full contract, though, that's how you take a partial. So if I was in 5 micros up here, bang. Then price literally shorted, and then I took off 3 here. I hit a 3, a market order of 3 micros. And then once it hit my daily target, I took off the rest. So if you're in sells and you got 5 micros, just buy it. Or if you're in buys, just sell it. Because that will partial your contract. Okay? What do you think about funded hero futures? Never heard of them. Look at NQ. I am looking at NQ. I told you guys we were going to target this short-term buy-side liquidity after we inversed the 15-minute and we stayed above the 1-minute order block. I literally outlined that perfect for you guys. Even though I didn't take it, I'm literally walking you guys through everything. Could you explain a little easier? I don't know how to explain easier than that. If you're in a buy and you have an X amount of contracts, I used 5 as an example because that was what I used today. You want to take, if you, let's say it comes up here, you want to sell out of those 5 buy contracts, 70% would be 3 of those contracts. So you would sell a market order of 3. And it'll still leave your 2 cons in. Okay, it'll still leave your 2 cons in, and then you can just hold it at break even. Walked me through to my profit with the buy side liquidity. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes. Did that make sense? I hope that made sense. Benji, I appreciate the follow. You think it could potentially go back up still? I wouldn't target anything higher than the buy side liquidity. Like I said, we could go a little bit higher to that 900 level. There is a little fair value gap. There's a huge liquidity void here. So anything from here up becomes high probability to kind of drag price or kind of make price sit sideways for me. You know, we could either sit sideways in here or we could do something like this. Kind of just make big price legs. But it would not, it's not going to go anything like do anything too crazy. Why didn't you take this trade? Is it because your daily bias was bearish? No, it's just simply that I am personally satisfied with what I made today, and I don't want to give anything back to the market. So me personally, we didn't get this trade until 12 o'clock on the dot, and I don't trade from 12 to 1. Even though the, you know, lunch macro can be a reversal, 11:30 to 1 can be a reversal. I still understand the fact that I'm still content with what I made today. I brought my account back to break even. We're up $139. We were down $1,500 from a stupid silver trade. So all I wanted to do was get my account back. We're back to fresh 100K on the advance, and we just live to see another day. It's not about trying to like squeeze and rinse everything out of the market for what it has. It's about playing in the gray areas, take those base hits, and then walk away from the market to come back for another day. Every day is going to present an opportunity. Sometimes, you know, those opportunities are not going to give us everything we want inside of those trades, and that's why you got to be content with your money that you make. Listen to Flip. He knows what he's talking about. Appreciate that, Sarah. Appreciate that. Okay, I have 2 buy contracts right now. I'm right. Click the screen, set a sell limit 1. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Psychology is 99% of the game. 100%. 100%. 100%. I'm gonna play my Stevie B mix, chat. What y'all know about this? All my people who was, bro, I wish I was born in like the 70s and stuff like that, the 80s, because like their music was fire. Bro, can I see your trade today? Yeah, right here. So I took sells from the 5-minute IO Fed. We dropped all the way down, and I just started taking partials as we fell. We took my daily target, and that's all that I needed. So we got 5 micros in here, and then we started taking partials as price kept making lows. So you said it's going up there, so if I could wait for it to come back, can I buy? Once it takes this buy side liquidity, I personally, I'd be fine with everything. Like, this is my girl jam. Now I'm saying, Jeff. Flip snowball. Flip snowball. Thanks. We know ball over here, man. Ball is life. What will happen now? After we take that buy side liquidity, everything just becomes low probability for the rest of the day. Obviously, we have 1 minute equal lows, so obviously, yes, price could drop all the way back down. But I want to see price hold these lows for tomorrow so we can get a nice short for tomorrow. But it's looking like price is going to take this short-term buy-side liquidity, and we'll probably come up here to that 25,900. It's going to recover some of this trade. But if you look, that's a long 4-hour candle. That's a long 4-hour candle. Like I was saying before, we do have a 4-hour fair value gap here. 4-hour closes at 2 p.m. Eastern. So me personally, I would just wait. I would just sit on the sidelines. Everything else is low probability for the rest of the day. We made a low. We created the market structure shift. We inversed the 15-minute fair value gap. We held the order block. We traded back into short-term buy side. At the end of the day, there's no real trades after that. If you are trading after that, I just feel like, for me personally, I just feel like it's low probability. This is 150K Express, Luca. I'm no one. 3K on the fresh funded today off of a 5-minute inversion. That's what I'm saying, Mr. Wilson. That's what we talking about, baby. Way to get to your bag. I know this sounds dumb, but what's a fair value gap? Oh. Yeah. It's an imbalance in price. Yeah, fakes as well, 100%. I would suggest you to go, Colby, I would suggest you to go to Inner Circle Trader on YouTube and watch his stuff. If you do want to join the Discord, I do have some PDFs for you if you want. If you want, we inside of here the ICT PDFs, I believe the month 4 or month 5 has the fair value gaps. I'm not very sure, but there's a ton of information within these PDFs alone, and that's all in the free Discord. So yeah, TJR would be good. He explains it pretty well as well. But I always point people back to the direct source because TJR is just bought a 50K eval this morning, already made 700. Thanks, Flip. No problem. We love to see that, Janny. Woo! I love to see the green days, man. I love to see the green days. Like, that stuff literally brings so much joy to my heart. To continue to see people win. New here, where should I start as far as learning goes? Rick, request access to the school. If you're still in the... Bam. There's your buy-side liquidity raid. To the T. To the T. Yep, there he goes. Inner Circle Trader, month 4, fair value gap. So check out your month 4 PDF. Someone LARPing acting like you like that just followed me. Yeah, there's a lot of people that use my account and stuff like that. Guys, I'm gonna hold up. I just want to make it clear that I will never message you asking you to join the course or join the community. I will never personally DM you first asking you about anything that has to do with what I do. Never. So please do not get scammed by these people, okay? That they are posing to be me, and I'm sorry that today's society, people got to use other people's faces, but please do not get, please do not get scammed, bro. I'm here every day. I literally only have like 30 people that I'm following, 40 people that I'm following, and that's literally because I don't want people to think that I follow all of these people, because that's how you will be able to decipher my account from a fake account. I have very low following. Not that I don't want to follow people, not that I don't want to support people, but I know that a low following count will not only keep my algorithm intact, but it will also let you guys know that that is not me. All right, waiting for a retest. No, everything becomes low probability now, guys. We could have a drop all the way back down into all of this price now. Okay. Are you taking any more trades? No, I am done for the day. That was the only thing that I seen, bro. After that, we're good, bro. Yeah. Yo, what's good, Ant? Hey, yo, shout out that boy Ant in the chat. He's another good trader, guys. Make sure y'all tune into him too. I don't know if he's been I haven't seen you live in a couple times, but shout out that boy Ant. He trades ICT too. Flip, I love that you give respect to ICT and tell people to go to him instead of only selling yours. Yeah, bro. Like I said, guys, I'm not here to like banger shorts today, bro. Exactly. We caught the 5-minute high, bro. We caught the 5-minute high. Check me out. Check me out, Ant. Banger. Oh, holy. Oh, yeah. 5-minute high 8 today. Yeah, guys. Like I said, I'm not here to price gouge anyone, bro. I'm not here to like, oh, buy my course, do this, do that. Like, I'm only selling this stuff because I am literally giving you guys my time. But I always tell people, if you want to learn exactly how I trade and you want to take the time to go through all the videos, bro, go to ICT himself. Go to the direct source himself. It's on YouTube. Everything is free. Back when I learned, everything was not free, bro. So go to the source himself. ICT Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. Go through all of his courses. I think if you want to start, I think a great starting point is his 2022 mentorship. But if not, you know, that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Do you know how to trade PM session, or is it a different strategy? No, it's the same thing. I trade PM session as well, but there's days where I'm up like this and I just feel like I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'm content with my profits. There's no reason to risk. You live to fight another day. You come back tomorrow and you swing for the, you know, aim for the moon, shoot for the stars. Got a late entry, but thanks to God and you, up 900. Let's go. Shout out Zay. Shout out Zay. Should I hit top step if I think I'm ready? Oh yeah. If you think you're ready, I always say take the risk. You can never go wrong betting, like, you know, betting on yourself. When should I start trading PM because I got work all morning? If you can, 1 o'clock, anytime after 1 o'clock is great. That's just me. You heard of quarterly theory? Yes, I have heard of quarterly theory, but I do not trade quarterly theory. OMG, it's TJR. Bro, I'm not TJR, bro. Yeah, always invest in yourself. If you think you got it, bro, take the shot. Bet, always double down on yourself, bro. Tradeovate or Project X. I personally love Project X, but Tradeovate's just as good, bro. Tradeovate's just as good. I got back to everyone's DM already, so yeah, I already got back to everyone's DM, so everyone should be good to go, honestly. What prop firm should I start with? I think Top Step is a great starting prop firm. It's the easiest to maneuver with. You can drag your stop profits, drag your stop loss, take profits, all that stuff. I think it's the easiest interface to use for me personally, and for new beginners. But that's just me. You think we're gonna short? We could. Like I said, everything after the short-term buy-side liquidity becomes low probability. I wouldn't suggest trading for the rest of the day. That's just me. You got to understand, guys. Price has moved 700 points, and then we just pulled back another 300. Well, yeah. From the high of the day today. From the high of the day today, price moved 750, 60 points. And then now from that low, we just pulled back a nice 300 points. So we are already pretty much close to the 50% of today's range. So everything becomes low probability now. All right. I wouldn't suggest taking any more trades. Just wait for tomorrow. Be content with what you made today. If you took a loss, you got to find contentment in your inside of your red days as well. And don't try to do too much, chat. We have one large, huge liquidity void here. It could capitalize on a lot of what today did. We are approaching the 50% of today's range at that 25,925. Like I told you guys, just take the day off now. Everything is low probability. Not saying it can't do something or won't do something. I'm just saying it's lower probability now. All right. Gold did the same thing. That's what I'm saying. With that being said, it is 12:30. How did you get that God first text on the top? You can write text. Okay. Let's just say F1 to the moon, right? And then you just move it. And then you hit this right here. This is like an anchor tool right here, and you anchor it. So no matter what, it won't move. Okay. So that's what I anchored on my charts, because that's what I want to continue to remind myself every single day when I take trades. That's tough. Thanks. No problem. No problemo. Hold up. We almost finished the Stevie B mix. How did you get that sniper entry of the sell? I called these sells from yesterday, but I told you guys going into market open that I wanted to see an enticement of buyers entering the market, and they were going to use them as liquidity to inject them to the sells. We also were inside of a 4-hour order block, and we literally retested that order block to the T before sending it back to the floor. And I said we were going to target previous day lows and the 4-hour fair value gap. What chart platform is this? This is TradingView right now. But on this one, this is Top Step. I love you. I want you now and I need you now. I do think it is going to dump, but I don't think it's going to dump today. I think we can get the finishing touches for tomorrow's low of the week tomorrow. Because it's going to go for the monthly closure. You're kissing and hugging. Like I said, guys, don't take any trades. We're good for the day. Be content with your profits. And if you're lost today, you gotta go back and study why you lost. An imposter is among us viewing the live. Let's see. He probably clicked away as soon as he's seen your message. Oh, he is. Blocked. Reported. Spam, fake engagement, frauds. Yeah, spam and fake engagement or fraud scams. Yeah, buddy, you just got reported. Say goodbye to your account. Everyone say bye. Haha. You didn't click off fast enough, bub. I got you. Sniper. Dottie, I am working on trading full time. But I'm gonna be honest, chat, I don't mind working a job. I work like 2 days a week. 2 to 3 days max. And it's just like, it keeps me humble. It keeps me humble, chat. About my love. I just love meeting new people and like building connections, and I love my job. I don't want it to go down, chat. I want it to keep building up that liquidity for tomorrow. Flip, I hit too well today on Top Step eval and made 1,900. What do I do? I would lose $500 if I was you. Or $400. That way you don't have to build your buffer higher. Get in a trade for like 10 micros and try to take a quick loss. He said, it's your fault. I hit too well. Flip saved my family from a house fire in 2007. There's no need to fear. Flip is here. That Stevie B mix is fire, chat. How many contracts you trade? I traded with 5 today. I only traded with 5 micros. I literally only risked half my original risk. You're getting muted, bro. Go ahead and keep spamming. Bro, you know what's crazy? I had someone from Egypt try to hack my Microsoft account at 4 a.m. I got a notification from it. Like, bro, what are y'all doing to me, bro? What are y'all trying to do, bro? Egypt? What are y'all doing in Egypt with my Microsoft account? Like, what are y'all doing over there, bro? Are they coming after me, Chad? Are they like, what is going on, bro? What did I do to y'all, bro? What did I do to y'all? What did I do to y'all for you to want my Microsoft account or my Instagram? Because I got the Instagram notification. They're trying to take my Instagram. What's the Discord? Let me see your name. I'm just gonna call you T. T, message me on message me on TikTok. Could have been a VPN. I don't know, bro. Message me on TikTok, I got you. Like DM me. Nah, that's what I'm saying. Requested it last night, blown this morning, shake my head. No way, bro. Marty, did you message me on TikTok? Anyone who's messaging me on TikTok, I've already gotten back to everybody. No, Brayden, I'm done trading today. What do I think for MES? Let's look. Yeah, MES has a bigger fair value gap here. On a 4 hour, and I know the 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour reacted off the order block. It literally did the same thing. But the difference between MES is the fact that it actually created that so that was an SMT off the low. So if you look right here, look, chat. So we created SMT because this low wasn't taken, but this low was taken. You see that? And I'll be teaching on this as well next week. Hold up. Let me move the screen over so y'all can see. So yeah, I'll be teaching on this next week. But yeah, that is an SMT at a daily in a 4 hour PD array. So that's why we got that push back up to the short term buy side liquidity. But everyone, I am about to head out. I'm going to send us out with a quick prayer. And we're done for the day. All right. Like I said, guys, make sure that you are getting everything that you need now, because I'm telling you, I've been warning you guys this whole month. February is when we start in the Discord. February is when price goes up. As you can see, people today are continuing to win. Okay? Testimonials. I could literally scroll for days on testimonials. People literally putting up 5K like my girl Hefa. Lady Boss. That boy Suarez putting up big bands. You know what I'm saying? Copy trading his accounts. 800 from Flip. 1500. You know what I'm saying? Another good trade with me. 600 right there. Like, chat. Testimonials are coming in left and right. And these are people that have joined, been here for a while. I will still do TikTok live tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is the last day. Okay? So make sure you guys are getting in the private Discord, because once the price goes up, it's not ever going to be $20 again, regardless if I have one person. Okay? With that being said, let me get our outro song ready real quick. Yeah, we're good on the day. Yes, it's $20. If you need the link, message me on TikTok. I got you guys. Once again, I'm gonna make a real quick say, you don't need me for anything. Everything's on YouTube for free. Okay? If you want to watch Inner Circle Trader, ICT on YouTube. But if you want to be a part of the F1 community, it's a small charge right now. You're paying for the time that I invest into you guys. That's it. All right? Love you guys. Let's go ahead and send us out with a quick prayer. I seen you blush, Betty, with the hearts. All right, let's get it. What time? Every morning, 9 a.m. All right, tomorrow is going to be 9 a.m. as well. I believe we have small news, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Trump speaks at 4:30, so price is probably going to sit sideways until Trump speaks today. We do have 8:30 news, core PPI, and PPI red folders. So 8:30, we should see some volatility. 9 o'clock, we'll be live, and we'll be able to catch some trades, okay? Other than that, we're chilling, chat. We're chilling for the rest of the day. I'm going to go to the gym, decompress, separate myself from the markets, enjoy my day. Today was a good day. Are you EST or CST? I'm EST. I DM'd you, bro. I got you. I will respond to all my DMs, okay? I will respond to all my DMs, I promise. But here we go. Dear Heavenly Father, I enter your presence through the blood of your Son, Yeshua, Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. I want to thank you for another wonderful day. I want to thank you for waking us up with another fresh breath of air to see your light, your glory. Continue to posture our hearts closer to you. Continue to have us seek your face, seek your divine purpose in our lives, and continue to keep us on the narrow, straight path that you have paved for us. Continue to order our steps and go before us to open up the doors of opportunity that you have destined for us. Father God, I am beyond grateful for what you have done and you are continuing to do in not only my life, but in each and every one of these people behind the screen. I know that you are going to continue to uplift us as we are all vessels for the kingdom, and it is all in vain if it isn't for you. So continue to use us, continue to shine every bit of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding in each of these people's lives, in my life, in our families' lives. Continue to send your angels as a hedge of protection. I ask that you would give everyone a blessed evening as we remove ourselves from the market and continue with our day-to-day lives. For the people that, lost, we still praise you. For the people that won, we praise you, Father God. We want to continue to acknowledge that you are in everything that we do and everything that we set our hearts and minds to accomplish. And I just want to say, I'm just honored to continue to be a vessel for your kingdom. And I'm blessed and highly favored. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. W's in the chat. Let's go. What another great day, baby. 29 days strong. Imagine where we going to be at the end of the year, chat. We going to be rich. Big W's for F1. Everyone spam up F1 in the chat. F1's in the chat, baby. F1 to the moon. Listen. I'm going to catch you on which side? The flip side. Pew! Chat. My YouTube family, I love you guys. Make sure you get into the Discord. Tomorrow is the last day I will be live on YouTube as well. All of our recordings will be on YouTube. Okay? All of our recordings will be on YouTube, but I will no longer be live on YouTube for a little bit. We are going back into the Discord to make sure that all of our students are profiting and making that bread. I love you guys. Thank you guys for being a part of this journey, and I'm thankful to be a part of yours. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. See ya.